Whatever she sees happens. Gifted mind, her words ignite, her words saves. Jealousy cannot stop it, envy cannot stop it. Eluke funanya, eluke funanya, eruka ifunanya, eruka ifunanya, eruka ifukwere, eruka ifunanya, eruka ifukwere, iwaga ifukwere, eruka ifunanya, eruka ifunanya,
Adamo, Dikeh, this one you're calling me like this. I hope there's good news.
Meet my friend, Obiora.
Good afternoon, Mama.
Good afternoon, Nam. How are you?
I'm very well, Mama. I'm fine.
Your friend.
Oh?
Eh?
Wait now, again. He's my friend I used to talk to you about. My man.
Oh!
Yes.
He's the one.
Yes, now.
Hey, no. Hey, no. I'm going to go and get him food. Go and get.
Mama, don't worry, I'll give him food. I'll give him everything he wants. He's just got back from the town today. And Mama, another gang.
Another one.
Yes.
Yeah.
He proposed to. I was accepted. Ha! Ha!
No, no. Hey, congratulations, my daughter. Congratulations. God has done it.
I know you will like it.
Stop! What is the meaning of this? Are you mad? No, have you lost it? Are you mad?
Have you? What is wrong with you? What is the color of your problem, this girl? What is it? Can you see what you have done now? Can you see?
Now, go on, take it, Mama. What is this now? Calm down. What is this now? I'm sorry. Okay, Ujunwa again. It's okay.
Mama, get out of here.
Nnam, Obiora. It's okay. Let's go inside. Sorry,
Is everything wrong with her? Is she okay?
Don't worry, I'll sort it out. No problem. Excuse us.
Look at his leg. What to me?
It's okay. Let him come inside with a leg like that. Batawa. Nnam, Bata. It's okay. Ife you want? Let's go.
Ujunwa. Aye. Mama. Aye.
It's okay. If your guest.
No matter how you hate, do not hate.
God forbid. It can never be my sister's portion. Any plan of the enemies will never come to pass. What has she done to deserve this kind of punishment and wickedness? My own sister. It's not her portion. God forbid.
Bia, Ujunwa. This is what you're doing. Don't tell me you've seen another vision.
No, I have seen another vision.
Hi.
I have.
And from the look of things, it's not good, okay?
It is a very terrible dream.
Hi. Terrible.
But it will never be our portion.
Amen.
Whatever plan that the enemies has planned for this family, they will never solve.
Amen.
Nothing will happen to my sister in Jesus. Amen.
Amen. It's his sister. Sister.
How are you doing? Fine, how are you? Fine. I was gonna come to your house this evening.
My sister, it hasn't been easy since my brother passed on. It has really been tough on my family. Even my father has been devastated. You know how it feels losing your only child, my only brother. My only brother.
I can imagine. I feel your pain. But I understand you love your brother so much. You just have to put yourself together, okay? I'm very sorry this is happening.
You see that girl? That bastard. I promise her she will pay for this. I will never allow her to go scot-free. She will pay for this.
What are you talking about?
Ujunwa, of course. She made my brother die, and she think I will leave her? She will never go. She won't be free. She will pay.
Oluchi, you still haven't let this go. Ujunwa did not kill your brother.
What are you saying? What are you saying? Are you trying to say Ujunwa did not kill my brother? Who was the person that saw that my brother was going to die? She, that demon. She's the person that saw that my brother was going to die. And here you are, you're supporting her.
She didn't kill your brother.
Oh, I see. Now you're taking sides,
no,
right?
I am not.
You're taking sides,
I am not.
No problem. No problem. See, if you don't mind yourself, you see the two of you, you will pay. You will tell me what happened to my brother. Because I can see there's a lot going on between you two.
No.
What bitch? She will pay for it. I swear I will make sure she pays for it.
Oluchi, has it gotten to that?
Please don't get me angry. If you want us to be friends, let's just be friends. So, but just mind your business.
Some say she's evil, others say she's a gift. But what do you think? Some see her as good, others see her as wicked. Ooh. She's who she was made to be.
Greetings, Ezemo.
Save your breath.
Your
daughter.
Huh?
Yes. Your daughter is daring her chi and the gods of our ancestors. Tell her to stop. If not, thunder will strike her and rain will flush her.
I reject it. It's not my daughter's portion. I don't understand. What are you saying? Ezemo, what are you saying?
Who made your daughter a seer in this kingdom? For all I know, the hands of our gods is not in that. She parades herself, giving false prophecies, destroying and deceiving families in this kingdom with her demented visions and unfounded claims. Consider this as a warning to her.
But there's more. My daughter is a little girl. She's not but a little child. If she is doing something that you don't like, why not call her close and cancel her with love? Why rendering such heavy threats on a little girl? She's a mother on a man. She's a little child to you.
You are her mother, right?
Yes, there's more.
Be a good mother.
Yeah.
Get a grip on her, a tight grip. Lead her to the right path. Tell her that what she's doing is wrong. Deceiving our people. Yes! You know what? Look at Doom. If she doesn't stop, she is disgraced.
No, I reject it. No doom shall come to my family. I reject it. Reject it. It's a girl. It's a little girl to you, Ezemo. Ezemo, I beg you. She is a child. Whatever she is doing that is not right, call her close, draw her near and cancel her with love. Don't render such heavy threat on the little girl.
Okay, let's go.
Ezemo.
Ezemo, I am sorry for whatever I might have done that offended you. But
Hey, Ezemo, Biko, don't be angry. She doesn't behave like this. So each time she stands like this, she's seen a vision of a wolf.
he's going to die soon.
Hey!
Me? Fear! But they want to die first.
How dare you?
Ezemo, Biko, don't be angry. You should have kept it in your mouth now. Why did you say another one like this now? Eh? Ezemo, I'm sorry. Sorry, don't say anything again. Ndo, sorry.
Caution your daughter.
I will.
Caution your daughter.
I will. Thank you.
Others says she's a gift.
Why would you say things like that?
But what do you think?
Now you could have kept it to yourself. Why did you say that thing now? Are you sure it's what it's for?
But I hear what I saw.
As wicked. Ooh. She's who she was made to be. Just mind whatever you think within you.
Baby, I think you need to go back home, okay? And go know what is wrong with your sister.
I don't need to know what is wrong with a mad person. This is who she is. I don't care about her. And you should not care too. Please.
Sweetheart, you have to care about her. She's your sister.
Oh my God. Why are you trying to make her look relevant right now? You see somebody that is mad, you are trying to care about her. Please leave her, she'll be fine. That's her way. She'll be fine. And I know what she wants to say. And I don't care. Please. Pay her no attention.
That's serious. Babe, maybe she's not cool with me. She doesn't like me.
Sweetheart, who cares? No, who cares if she likes you or not? This is my call. I am the one to get married to you, not that Ogbanje girl. So what's her business? You should not bother. Baby, can you stop worrying about that girl? Please.
Well, if you say so, no problem. I'm only worried because you know she's your blood and you should at least care about what happens to her, you know.
I don't care. And you should not care too. That is the point. Babe, please let me escort you. Obiko.
Yeah, that's true.
Oh, let me escort you.
Let's get in the car.
She is gifted. Whatever she sees happens. Gifted mind, her words ignite, her words saves. Jealousy cannot stop it. Envy cannot stop it.
Ujunwa, how dare you? I mean, how dare you?
Okay, now. What is enough now? What is it? Okay,
Mama, mother, what was the meaning of that nonsense she displayed before my suitor?
She saw a vision. Also for vision.
Oh, she saw a vision that she could not keep to herself and allow my suitor to go before she can release this her python poisonous mouth and talk. Now the man thinks something is wrong with my family.
That's what he would think, but you know that your sister is a seer. She saw something that she couldn't tell you then. She reacted that way. I thought what you should have done now that you came back is to ask her what really did you see.
Mama, I don't care. Listen to me. I don't care. Let this evil girl keep whatever she feels she has seen to herself. This prophetess of doom. Stay away from my things. Stay away from everything that concerns me. All my affairs. Don't interfere. Stop interfering.
Okay,
Mama, Chiyongwaga warning. Chikwaya warning. What now?
Calm down now.
Sister, you know I can never hurt your intention. Trust me, what I saw was very scary. I don't care. Keep it to yourself. Keep it to yourself. I don't want to know. Okay? They said you are a blessing to this house. But I tell you something today. You are nothing but a big curse.
Stop it now.
A disgrace.
Hey, yeah.
Mama.
Come on, stop it. Okay. Calm down now.
Hold down.
She is gifted.
Whatever she sees happen. here now. You are there. Don't worry. It's enough for.
Gifted mind. Her words ignite. Her words saves. Jealousy cannot stop it. Envy cannot stop it. Eluki funanya. Eluki funanya.
Hello. Oluchi, I've been looking for you everywhere. I'm sorry for what happened to your brother. Please.
How dare you? Are you stupid? After killing my brother, you have the temerity, the balls to tell me how am I?
You. Eh? It's Oluchi. Oluchi has been chasing me around the whole village with weapon. I don't know what I did to her.
Oluchi chasing you with weapon. Eh? Let me go out there.
Mama, don't go. She's going to hurt you. Don't go.
But why would she be chasing you with weapon? Makagene is it? Where are the things I asked you to buy in the market?
Mama, it seems you've not been listening to me.
How?
I said Oluchi has been pursuing me even before I got it.
Hey! Uju! Oluchi. Uju, what? Yeah, Uju. Why is she pursuing you?
Some say she's evil. Others say she's a gift. But what do you think? Some see her as good. Others see her as wicked. Ooh. She's who she was made to be. Just mind whatever you think within you. You never see it. You never know that. On Natarachi. Mind what you call her. Mind how you talk to her. It is dangerous.
What is it?
I'm sorry, my king. There is nothing more I can do for him. His sickness is not improving.
I can't get it. I can't fix it. But you are the highest healer, the greatest in the whole of this kingdom. What is happening here?
I have tried, my king. I have been working, but it doesn't seem to be improved. I just want to let you know now, so that you will probably look for an alternative or further solution. I'm sorry, my king. I take my leave.
Sister, I am telling you the truth. Truth kill you there. You are mad. You are mad. How can you tell me that my husband-to-be, will run mad in 3 days' time? It is what I saw that I am telling you. Unsee whatever evil you've seen. Evil seer, prophetess of doom. Unsee it. Listen, if I were you, I would disassociate myself from him now. Because when it will happen, you'll be heartbroken and shattered. Oh, it is me you're advising. You are mad. Ujungwa. Asingine very mad. In fact, in our Pozala, you are very mad. See this your nonsense. It is you that will run mad, not my man. It is you that will run mad. I want to pay. If you are doing that your nonsense, I have warned you. Don't try to bring it around me or anybody that concerns me. Wait though, let me ask you. Are you by any means interested in my man? No, it's a question. Answer me. Are you interested in him? Me. Interested in that vegetable? Why would I even want to have someone that does not have any future in life? It is you that doesn't have any future. You don't have any future. Jungwa. If you have future, you'll not be going around seeing what is not seeing you. In fact, let this be the first and the last time. I will not warn you again. Let me go and warn mother. I just don't want to do that now. I'm just telling you what I saw. Mama! Mama! Sister? I'm just telling her what I saw now. Shouldn't I look out for my sister again? I'm warning you now. You don't want to listen to me. Mama, if you want Angela, go on Okwaya. This particular one, I will not take it. How can she say that Ifeanyi, as in my own Ifeanyi, will run mad? Let me one Angela, or a straight. I only told her what I saw. Nothing but the truth. She has been vibrating all this while. I don't know why. Oh, I'm now vibrate, okay? So you don't want to respect yourself. Let me tell you something. Avoid me when you are seeing this, your demonic prophecies. I did not beg you to see anything.
But talk on the vision.
Mama, you better take her to where they will cure whatever that is disturbing her. Let her be avoiding me.
If you will calm down now.
Whatever I say, come to pass.
Dear Ujunwa, are you sure you saw this thing you told yourself?
Mama, I swear to God Almighty. I saw it. And it must surely come to pass. It will not happen in Jesus' name. You did not see it. It is the devil that is giving you visions. It is not from God. Therefore, in the mighty name of Jesus, I match devil. I match the evil prophets. You're not going to come to pass. This time, I will face you. I'm my number one enemy. Mama, why not quite this girl? I'm just trying to save you from heartbreak. You should be thanking me. Who you want to save? It is you that will have heartbreak. It is you that God will punish. It is you that will suffer. Mama, it's like you're taking me for granted. No, this girl.
No, it's vision now.
You want what to start in this house?
It will not start.
One has to stay away from me. Stop seeing me in your vision. I only told her what I saw. One hand. Why you turning on mad? Hey! There's nothing you can do about it.
Hey! What you not looking at? Why are you saying it like this? He's hurting your sister. At least you should come. Did you see it?
Mama? I saw it.
Hey! I'm not mad. Hey!
As I went there, I saw the mood that's taken. I just decided to anyway, it's a story for another day.
I know. But it's actually very funny.
I have to start going back.
No.
I'll see you some other time.
I know. Tobim. Hi. Tobim, there's something I want to tell you.
Okay. I'm here. Speak. My ears are open.
Hi. Never mind.
Never mind what?
It's not serious. It's not something serious.
All the same, say it.
It's not that serious. Don't worry. I'll tell you some other time.
Say it. I want to hear it.
Oh, Bim. You have to go back. Oh. You know you have people will be coming to your workshop to look for you. Just go.
That's okay.
When next we see, I'll tell you. Sure.
All I want to know is if you are all right.
I'm very fine.
No problem.
No problem.
Okay. It's well. All right. I'll see you. All right. Hey! Nigeria is divided into 1,000 pieces.
No.
Into 1,000 pieces.
No.
I love Nigeria. I love my country. Who are you? What are you doing here? Come on, get out of here. Hey! This is a new generation. So heaven is like this.
Somebody help me.
I don't know that heaven is like this.
No, don't do that. Please don't do that. Please.
Heaven is sweet. Heaven is sweet. Style. We are the angels. We are the angels.
Stop.
Angel Mike. Who are you? You are not looking like Peter. You are not Paul.
I know.
Who are you?
If your love, please.
That is not heavenly name. Get out of here. Go to hell.
Hey,
that's where them can't time for them. What is that?
Help me, please.
Hey, I'm looking for Angel Michael. Angel Gabriel. This is heaven. This is what heaven looks like. Who are you? Who are you? Are you Peter? Come on, leave me. Are you Peter?
Somebody help me.
Are you Paul? Are you St. Michael?
Somebody help me.
No matter how you hate, do not hate an innocent. No matter how you feel, do not hurt an innocent. Makana.
One more. Your sister is here. No more. Nemo. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Sister, sorry. Sorry, please. Stop crying. Everything will be fine. It's just a matter of time. Stop. I told you, but you didn't believe me. I'm sorry, please. Sorry. It's okay. It's okay.
I know I'll find a way. What is it? Wait, or is it because of that thing your sister did in front of your sister?
Onyinye.
Eh?
She did this same exact thing during the time of Ifeanyi. And you know what later happened? You know how it ended, right?
But you know Ifeanyi's own was very unfortunate. And it doesn't mean same will happen to Obiora. You need to be positive.
God forbid nothing will happen to Obiora.
Or you don't want to get married.
Me? God forbid. I don't marry, forget how I take marriage. No, I have married and married well. Yes. And my marriage will be fruitful.
Amen.
And I will fulfill all my purpose in this life. No demon, no evil will stop it.
Amen.
If for this girl,
that witch,
I have told this girl to go and look for what is wrong with her. Yes. But Ochareja.
You know, I love how you're sounding now. See, I don't care what that your witch sister thinks she is.
My sister, nothing will make me back down this time around.
You must get
married. I will fight her back. That evil that is following her. Because I will come this girl. I will come my mother. Take this girl to ever get married. This is nothing but typical Obanjo.
Obanjo winch.
No, this person is possessed. Money for this one.
He doesn't want you to get married every time.
My sister, you know how hard it is to find man.
I'm telling you,
I will not find
village.
Man. This girl. You want to come and use her demonic prophecies to spoil it.
You will get married.
She doesn't see anything good.
It is.
Is this not possession? This person is possessed.
It is.
It's obvious now.
Very.
Obanjo wagejeje Maria Nemia. Now Tonyo yekwe laja na ni. Tikwaga bobu ya nanka.
Mude, you have not been yourself now for days. What is going on?
Ezemo, you are right. Please tell me what that stupid girl said about me will come to an end. Because I've been thinking about it and having strange dreams.
Mude, you of little faith. I am so disappointed in you.
Sorry, Ezemo.
So, you do not trust our gods? You do not believe in you that the gods of our ancestors will protect you?
Ezemo, I do. Just that I don't want to die. I'm scared.
Stop whimpering like a wimp. Relax, pack up yourself. Let's go to the bush and find some herbs for the prince. Let's go.
Some say she's evil, others says she's a gift. But what do you think? Some see her as good, others see her as wicked. Ooh. She's who she was meant to be. Just mind whatever you think within you. You never see it, you never know that.
My king, I'm suggesting we seek for a seer. Let's look for a seer that could at least divine the future for us.
What future are you talking about here? Which future? What future are we talking about when the future contains nothing but the bad news of what is going to happen to my son very soon? What future?
My king, nothing will happen to your son. I refuse to accept that. Never, nothing will happen to him. I'm only suggesting that we look for a seer. At least she should. Maybe this man, she can come with a different vision.
She? Are you talking about Mazi Adendo's daughter?
Yes, my king.
I thought you were going to talk about Ezemo. What about Ezemo?
My king, Ezemo sees very few visions and privileged ones as matter of fact. But this girl sees every day of her life. And you can compare her with Ezemo, my king.
Please, let's consult this girl. I don't want to lose my son. Please.
I do not want to lose him either.
Thank your God. Thank your God I didn't meet you in your father's house. Don't ever threaten my daughter again or pursue her with your weapons. Don't try it next time.
I don't understand. Which daughter are you talking about exactly? Your witchy daughter. Is that who you call daughter? I ask you. I do not threaten your daughter. Have that in mind. So don't even stop me to tell me rubbish.
Hey, sister, let me warn you. Next time I send her to the market and she did not go to the market because of your useless threats,
Enough of this rubbish. Enough. I've kept you quiet and you're busy ranting. Which threats? Your daughter told you I threatened her. Is she not ashamed of herself? So she sent you so that you will come and fight for her. Now listen to me. Warn your stupid daughter to stay away from me. I swear, Mechayana this village, she will know me.
Oh, so you have the utterance.
She will know me.
So you have the God to stand before me with such boldness to speak back. So you're talking back at me, You can stand and talk back to... Don't try it next time.
Madam, we're up with seniority. You are not doing seniority here. You just saw now listen to me. I am warning you. I did not stretch your daughter. I threatened Benumia or now much. When we do kill game, anyone and when I'm done with her, she will know. Like mother, like daughter. Both of you, I want stupid things. Let her try me. Let her try me. Me, I will show her. I will show her. It got fly next time. I didn't see you get back and win get Tibu. I didn't
Where is your sister?
I don't know.
Listen, lady. We are not here for jokes. Where is she?
Wait a minute. I just told you now that I don't know where she is. And you are threatening me or what? I want to know. No. I want to get that. In your head now, you feel I don't know my rights. Now, I don't know my rights. I should produce somebody that I don't know where she is. Is this some kind of threat or what? In you people's head now, you feel I don't know my rights or something?
Your flippant tongue will bring you ruin. And tell her that the king demands her presence immediately at the palace.
Others says she's a gift, but what do you think? Some see her as gold, others see her as wicked. Ooh. She's who she was made to be. Just mind whatever you think.
I just shouldn't have told her about that vision about her brother. Eh? I shouldn't. I just kept it to myself.
You did nothing wrong by telling her.
I did a whole lot of things wrong. So many things are wrong. We would have still been friends by now. Now look at the way it has turned out.
You don't have to regret it. Come on, you don't have to be ashamed using the gift God gave you.
What stupid gift? No, what nonsense gift? This one gift. This is a curse. You need to see when my sister is reacting towards me because of this same gift.
Your sister. Did you see another vision of her?
Woman. Eh?
My dear.
Ne, I know that this is your third time you're going to the market, right?
Yes, you can say that again. My dear, I have to hustle for my WAEC fee. You people that have rich parents, you don't know what God did for you.
Which rich parents? Who dash monkey banana? Where the rich they? Ha! You have rich parents, they don't give you anything. You don't have any money. They can't even give you any money to hold for yourself. So where is the rich? Everybody's just managing to make it. That's just the truth. Ne, I know you must be tired. Just go home and rest. Oh, I'll see you later.
We'll see at the stream.
Okay.
Oluchi.
Are you okay? This one that you're looking at me like this. If you go also, Onyamuma, what did you see? Eh? Hey, Ujuma. Eh? Tell me. I know you've seen something, right?
Yes, I have.
What did you see?
It's not a good one.
Hey, Uju, please. You know you can't keep this away from me. You need to tell me. What did you see? Please tell me.
I saw your brother Obina.
My brother Obina?
I saw him dead.
God forbid. What are you saying? You saw my only brother dead. Ujunwa, don't get me upset. What are you saying? That you saw my brother dead? See, don't try it though. Don't get me upset. What kind of rubbish talk is that? Eh? Don't try it. Try it.
She is gifted. Whatever she sees happens. Bacharanya.
Tell me the truth. Are you okay?
Yes.
Are you sure you're fine?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Okay, now don't lie to me.
No,
tell me.
I am good.
Do you have headache?
No.
Obina, tell me, talk to me when malaria.
No.
Ibane, Meggy, what is wrong with you? Are you okay? Obina, see, you know you can always confide in me and tell me if you're not feeling fine. If you're not feeling fine, just tell me. I'll go to the chemist and get you something. Are you sure? I can tell Mama and Papa.
No, don't worry.
Obina, are you sure you're okay?
Yeah.
Hey, nothing will happen to you in Jesus' name. Oh, where did you get Maggie? Oh, nothing will happen to you. Please go inside. Uju, we've been friends for years now. And I must say, I am very, very grateful to you. You know, for being honest with me, to tell me the vision you saw about my brother.
Oluchi, it still breaks my heart to give you such information. But I had no other option.
Uju, I know nobody has ever asked you this. But let me be the first to ask you. Please, is there a solution to this?
I am sorry. There is no solution. I mean, if you can't do anything when it comes to destiny and death.
I will never accept that. Are you trying to say that my parents will mourn my only brother? Is that what you're saying?
That's not what I am saying. But I am still telling you that I saw him dead.
You can't say that. There is something you're hiding. You daughter of the devil. I know there's something you're hiding. Now tell me the truth.
I don't have any information. I don't have anything. I can't even do anything about it.
I will not accept it. I will not. Ujunwa, I am warning you. I swear if anything happens to my brother, you will not like it. You will not like it. You want to tell me that my only brother would die for what?
I don't understand you. You can't avert it. It's what I saw and it to come to pass.
I rebuke you, you daughter of devil! Now listen to me. And listen very good. I am warning you. I swear on my blood, if anything happens to my brother, you will have me to contend with. You will pay for it. I promise you, with my blood, I will make sure my brother does not die. He will not die. Rubbish! My brother will not die. Never.
No matter how you hate, do not hate an innocent.
Obina! 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 Jesus! Obina! Mama! Obina! Obina! Open your eyes! Obina! Open your eyes! Obina! Look at me! Obina! 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 Please don't do this to me! Obina! Don't do this to me! Wake up! Obina! Obina! Oh my God! Mama! Papa! Obina! Obina, what is wrong with you? Obina, because I know I go one day in a body because I know. Obina, Obina, because Obina, open your eyes. Obina, don't do this to me now. Amen to me here because I'm never gonna be here. Obina! Where is Frank? 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 What's keeping him? Frank! Thank God. Thank the gosh you're here. Frank, tell me you love me.
Of course I love you and I will do anything for you.
Look into my eyes and tell me you love me.
Of course you know I love you and I will do anything for you.
You can do anything for me.
Yes.
Means whatever I want you to do now is very easy. It's something you can do.
My love, you know I love you so much and I will do anything for you. What is it?
I want you to kill Ujunwa. Yes, I want her out of the way.
Mama, I saw him with my 2 eyes. I know what I am telling you. I saw him dead.
Hey, my God.
It's not my God. So, Mama, what are you even saying? Why is it that the only thing this your cursed Obanje's child sees is evil, 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 evil? Other seers sees divine favor, blessings, good tidings, but that can never be this evil child of yours. If it's not misfortune, she's saying tragedy. If it's not death, it's accident. Why always you? I already told you what I saw about your man.
If you want.
Listen, this particular one will never come to pass.
If you will calm down. Take it easy with your sister. She's not your enemy here. And I understand that you can't accept what she just said. But you know that everything she always say comes to pass.
Mama, this particular one will never come to pass as long as my God in heaven lives.
Amen.
And is alive.
Amen.
Ujunwa, I will tell you that I serve a God that is mightier than that that is living inside of you.
Amen.
You see this my marriage, it will come to pass. My husband will not die. The marriage will happen. Both of you will witness it and testify to the goodness of God.
You even
and I
have
tell
children.
You, no demon, no possessed human being will stop it.
Amen. We are saying the same thing.
Why in the mighty name of Jesus?
Amen. But she's not your enemy. Would you have preferred she hid it from you? Okay, come on, Bogwa again.
Oh, come on. Let her hide it. From today henceforth, stop telling me things. Anything you see, you keep it to yourself. Let it now you boogie up. No, let it be killing her inside of her. Let her not be telling me I don't want to know. It is better that way than this embarrassment she caused me before my suitor. I already said I am sorry. I couldn't control myself. I'm sorry.
His vision.
But trust me, his death is near. No. Mama.
Our vision.
Mama, listen to me. Demonte. It has gotten to the point I start laying hands on this your daughter.
Eh?
Inania, let her in her life. I am warning you with using the name of God right now. Don't you ever mention death in the same sentence with my man. The next time you will try it, Mama, it's time I start showing you my color. Let her stop saying it. Let her here.
If you calm down.
Here.
If you calm down, calm down. Calm down. I won't every time I bamba. Calm down. Uju, don't be angry, oh. Don't be angry with her. You don't know that nobody can even accept this news the way it is now. So her reaction is right. I just wish there could be another way around this whole situation. If there's a way you can avert this. Eh?
Mama, it cannot be averted.
Hi.
He will definitely die.
Chimo. Hi, Ujunwa.
Guards! So where is the girl? And why are you not here with her?
We didn't meet her at all when we got there. So we told our sister to inform her that we need her in the palace.
I do not want to behold your face again without that girl. Leave my presence now and get me the girl. Off you go. Fast about that. What a shame. What a humiliation. Indeed, the girl was right. But no one must know what happened to Mude. Bah. The shame will be too much. How can I accept that she's more gifted over me? Bah, not possible. She must pay for this humiliation. I must destroy her.
She is gifted. Oborokekwe yabuzukwanike. Whatever she sees happens. Ofukwe ome bacharanya. Gifted mind.
Nothing happened to her. Where did she get her power from? This girl is very, very strong. I know what to do.
Nukunwa, greetings. I was on my way to your house, but thank God I met you here.
What can I do for you?
Please, I'm sorry to say it. I know it's not the right place to say it, but I need your help.
My help with what?
I'm getting married in 2 weeks' time, but the problem is that there are 2 men coming my way, so I don't know the exact one.
And how is that my business?
I'm sorry, Nukunwa. Please
not in the mood.
Nukunwa, because...
My name is not Nukunwa. My name is... None of them is your husband.
I don't understand.
I just told you, none of them is your husband.
So who is now my husband?
I don't have an answer to that.
No matter the fury, no matter the rage, do not hate an innocent. To hate the innocent is to imprison the sage. Do not hate.
My king, he will be well soon. The prince will live. His healing will be instant and miraculous.
Thanks to the gods.
My dear, you don't know how relieved I feel right now hearing this from you. So my son isn't crying anymore.
The prince will not die.
But what? Speak, my child, and do not be afraid to say so.
I don't know how you all will see me after saying this.
My daughter, I am the king. I invited you. So please, be relaxed. Feel free to tell me exactly the way it is. I called you here because of my son's health condition and the general condition of my family. Please, do not mince words. Say it the way it is. You have my permission.
The queen will die soon.
Jesus! Jesus! Blood of Jesus! God, no! No! No, no! No! Abim! Abim! Abim, wake up! Jesus, help me! Somebody help me! Abim!
Oh. Babe, what is it? Why are you shouting, Jesus, Jesus, somebody help me? What is going on?
Don't worry, I've prayed about it.
You've prayed about what? Babe, you've been acting so strange lately. What's going on?
It's okay, it's fine. It's nothing, don't worry.
You sure you're okay?
Don't worry, it's fine. It's okay. It's okay now.
Babe, are you sure you're okay?
I'm fine, you won't understand. Hi.
Are you sure of what you just said? Is it true?
Mama, I know what I saw with my eyes. The queen is going to die.
Aye!
I didn't want to tell the king, but I had no other option. He forced me.
The queen will die? Hey! Shimo.
I feel so terrible right now. I just feel like killing myself.
No. You can't do a thing like that.
Mama, I want to ask you a question. Why do I keep seeing people's misfortunes before it happens? Why?
But it's not only misfortune that you have seen. You've seen the positive side of people. Okay, for instance, in the life of the prince. When the whole community lost hope in him, even when he himself thought that the journey has ended, it's you that saw what kept him alive, what made him avert death. He survived now.
And in return, the queen should die. I can't even do anything about it.
It's not your fault too. You see this gift that you have, it's the gods that gave it to you, and they gave you this gift for a purpose.
What stupid purpose, Mama? Now tell me, what stupid purpose are you talking about? There is no single day that I walk on the sand of this village that someone does not throw a cursed word on me, either because of the prophecy I gave to him or her. Tell me! I'm tired.
I know, but it's not you that is doing it. It's a gift they gave to you. Eh? Take it easy, but okay, Queen, Queen will die. Hey!
Darling, I know you know what that demented Seer said is not going to come to pass. I know that. You know that, right?
Now she is a demented girl. But you'll be hearing of how her prophecies came to pass. None has ever not come to pass.
This time around, this one isn't going to come to pass. I am going to fly you to UK for a thorough medical checkup.
Your Highness, nothing is wrong with me.
I know. I know that nothing is wrong with you, but that will give me a peace of mind. Let me see how that death will come all the way to UK to kill you. But all the same, nobody is dying. Are you okay? Inugo, you won't die.
As long as my son will get well again, I don't mind giving my life for his.
Stop. Stop saying that. I should be the one sacrificing my life for both of you, not the other way around. Like I said, nobody's going to die here, okay? Enugu, what are you now? Be alive for me.
Should I send the guards to have the stupid girl flogged already for blasphemy?
Let her be.
Can you imagine the gods? The gods. The way she said it. Your beloved one will die. Die for what? Who gave us such a vision?
Do not bother yourself. Let her be. By the time nothing happens to my wife, she will discover that the prophecy shown to her that there was no truism in it, because that will make her position to be trivial and ineffective. She will realize herself.
Just imagine the gods. Imagine the gods. Your queen will die. My king, let me have this girl flogged. Let me have this girl flogged thoroughly so that she will understand that she's blaspheming.
You do not such things, so no. Your king is going to give the queen of this kingdom befitting treatment abroad for whatever ailment that has befallen her.
Yes.
As regards to that girl, let her be. Remember, we forced words into her mouth. Can you remember? Have your peace.
Oh. Hey! Nothing will happen to our beloved queen. My king, and nothing will happen to her.
Absolutely.
Our gods are still living, and they will not let that be. I think I should beg for my exit.
Stay safe.
Thank you very much.
Goodbye.
Thank you very much.
Some say she's evil.
Have you told your sister? Well, I finally did.
What was her reaction?
As expected, she was very furious and very angry.
She should understand you didn't make up anything. You only told her the truth.
If only she and the king can understand it the way you're putting it right now. I mean, the news did not sit well with her.
How about the king?
The queen is going to die soon.
My king, who gave you such an information?
The seer, the girl seer.
She is not the seer, my king. You shouldn't take her seriously. But how dare her come up with such an information? My king, she should be punished.
Let her be. That girl seems to be loved by everybody in my kingdom. They believe in her prophecies. I do not want to do anything that will jeopardize my position in this kingdom, or rather cause uproar in my kingdom. Let her be.
My king, your wife is safe and sound. Nothing will happen to your wife. I can assure you that. Absolutely nothing.
And I'm not scared either. I actually summoned you to make you understand about the prophecy on my wife and to know how far you can go to protecting her.
Oh, she's already protected. But something must be done about that girl. Michael, where? I cannot. Like, the demon that is operating through her, where did it come from?
Let that be my headache. You may leave.
She is gifted. Whatever she sees happens.
Nemo. I know you're angry. I know that you're still very angry with your sister, especially about the prophecy she gave you about your man.
I know, Mama. It's been how many days now since she said my fiancé would die? He's still alive, living and bubbling very fine. What does that mean? It means that whatever demonic power that is giving that your Obanje daughter in prophecy, fake prophecies, have failed her. They are not right.
See, no matter what happens, she's still your blood.
Mama, point of correction. If you call me your blood, then I'll be your blood. You understand me? You can't say I am your sister. You'll be saying evil prophecies on my head. No, you can't be seeing evil for me, wishing me bad, and still claim that you are my. You cannot be my sister be wishing me bad.
But she's not the one saying
what
it.
I am trying to say is that my traditional marriage will come up soon. I don't want to see anything that looks like her. I don't. That includes anybody that is supporting her. I am not forcing anybody to come for my traditional marriage. If you like, if you don't like, what I know is that the show must go on.
But it's not her fault. It's a revelation they give to her. It's what she sees that she tells you now.
Why has she not seen anything for you? Why does she keep seeing things for others and not for herself? Her demonic self and you that is sitting here by my side.
Pure. The gods have not told her.
Mama, let her carry whatever she's seeing far away from me. Let her not be seeing anything for me or anything that concerns me. Let her try and be seeing for you too. You need a good division.
Ifeyinwa is your sister. One and she's trying to protect your interests.
You will not go and carry her to where they will cure her from whatever madness that is worrying her. Because here will go Allah. Here this is normal. Look for where to take her to on time. Before she will see the one that will put her into serious trouble like this.
Or
anything that let her not be seeing things for me. She can be seeing. Why hasn't she seen anything for you?
Because they're not showing her anything for me.
Can go see things for?
She's trying to help you.
Some say she's evil. Others says she's a gift. But what do you think? Some see her as good. Others see her as wicked. She's who she was made to be. Just mind whatever you think within you.
Uju, what is it?
He just passed.
Is that your sister's fiancé?
Yes, that's my sister's fiancé. And he has just few days to leave. I don't even know how to save my sister from this heartbreak.
From what she said, I don't think she's ready to listen to you.
Well, she has to listen to me. She has no other option.
See, don't go and cause more problem between you and your sister. You've already done enough.
We're already having a problem. I would have no other option than to finish it up. I think I know what to do. I have to make him stay away from my sister. I have to separate them. That way he might leave.
Are you sure? You know you've never had solution to any of your visions.
Others see her as wicked.
Let's go.
My queen, you'll be leaving for London this Friday. All the necessary arrangements has been made.
I can't leave my son behind, unless he's going with me.
But you know you cannot go with him. What is wrong with that boy cannot be cured by any medicine. He has to be around so that I will find other solutions for his ailment. So he's not going with you.
Your Highness, nothing is wrong with me. Nothing is wrong with me. Besides, the Seer said our son will get well soon. So I need to be here when that happens.
Forget about the Seer. Forget about her. I do not care. Yes, I don't care.
You don't care?
Yes.
All of a sudden, you want me to fly to London, all because of what she said. Now you are telling me that you don't care. Your Highness, you know she's right. We don't have to live in denial of that fact. Please.
What he said about my son, I guess may be right. But about you, is not right. What?
Police! Your Highness! Police! Oh my God! Oh my God! God, thank you. God, thank you. Police, is this you? Is this you? Your Highness! Oh, Jesus, thank you.
My queen, I can't believe I'm sitting with my son. This is indeed a miracle.
It's indeed a miracle. Oh, listen.
Mother.
Oh, listen, man. So this is you. I still can't believe my eyes. I mean, you are here. Alive again.
Honestly, Mother, the only thing I remembered was the day I fell sick. Throughout that period, I didn't even know if I was alive or dead.
My son, we thought we had lost you. We went to virtually all the hospitals seeking for a solution to your ailment. None could give us hope, not even one. I am indeed grateful to the gods of our ancestors. I am happy, son.
Until our village seer came here and told us that you'll be well again in no time. That was when my faith was restored. Before then, I was no longer living, I was just existing. My dear, you have rekindled a new life in me.
Thank you, Mother, Dad, for standing by me and for not giving up hope on me. I'm happy to be alive again. I want to make the best of the second chance given to me by the gods.
It's indeed a second chance.
I think this calls for celebration. Cheers, my wife. Cheers. Cheers. Enjoy yourself, my son.
Father, I need to thank the Seer girl you're talking about. She really did see the future. What else did she say?
Thank God you're alive.
Obim, what is it? Don't tell me you're coming from my house.
Of course I'm coming from your house, and I met your mad sister.
Eh? You met my mad sister? Wow, what did she say to you?
The question should be, what did she not say to me? I went to your house to look for you, and I met your sister. Your sister tried to seduce me.
Eh?
Yes, she tried to seduce me.
What kind of talk is that? That my Ujuma, I mean my own sister Ujuma, tried seducing me. How? Please, she's not that kind of girl.
Baby, I'm not joking. I'm serious here. I used to see your sister as a reserved girl, a homely girl. But I never knew she's a green snake under the green grass. She started saying all sort of mannerless things to me. She spoke out of place. Even when she knows I'm your fiancé and we're getting married in a few days' time.
No way my sister, I mean my own Ujuma did that. She's not that kind of girl. Maybe there's a misconception somewhere. She's obviously not that type of girl now.
Babe, listen, I'm serious here, okay?
You are misunderstanding the whole thing.
If not because of the love and respect I have for you, I would have slapped the madness off her head. Excuse me.
No matter how you hate, do not hate an innocent. No matter how you feel, do not hurt an innocent. Makana.
Juma, how dare you? How dare you try to seduce my man with your Chukwa? How dare, how? Mama.
Again.
Get one thing. Mama, before God that man, if I don't kill that your daughter, if I don't kill that cursed child of yours today, let my enemies die.
What are you even saying? Can you tell me what she did? Calm down and tell me what happened now.
Hey! Mama, it is your demonic daughter's God for me. She had the guts. I mean the effrontery. Tagi the guts were live I won't die. Seduce my man here in this house. She's not afraid of me.
But you know she cannot do a thing like that. How can you say this against your sister? How?
So you are doubting me?
It's not true now.
Mama, you are doubting me. I've always known that you support evil. No, it is clear to me now that this is nothing but family war. 2 against 1. All you have right now. Yes, all you have. The same way you doubted it was how I doubted it. Until I went to confront these idiots. To my greatest shock, she could not even deny it. Your daughter accepted. Yes.
Ifeyinwa, allow me ask her so I'll know what to believe. Because what you're saying now, I can't believe it. You know she cannot do it now.
Yeah, even after I told you that she confessed to me that she did it. Mama.
She's your sister. She's your blood. Mama, she can't do it.
She's not my blood. As a matter of fact, you need to even do DNA. You're not saying the truth. Because why are you supporting her?
I'll do what?
No, why are you always supporting her? You can make DNA. You can make DNA. It has got it to that point. It has got it to that point. Tell me why you are supporting her.
So you want to, because of a man, not kill your sister?
I will kill her. Go get ready. To go take her skirts. If she does not kill me, I will kill her. But I tell you that me go kill her. I will be the one to bury her.
Nobody will kill anybody in this house.
If I see her now, that you are saying this is because I've not set my eyes on her. Once I set my eyes on her, I will use knife, to get down her chest, took it there. Oh, but don't know the knife. Just get it ready.
She is your blood. One now forget.
Okay. My blood will not go after my man. No it and no peace.
Try and find out. I'm sure she didn't do this.
Okay, I got
She did not do this thing. Why you asked her? Did she say anything?
I will send her. She will go and defend herself before the ancestors. In a column here.
You will not kill anybody in this house. Okay. And I know she did not do it.
Okay.
You can't kill because of a man now.
We better dig. I get Gusinini.
Okay.
You are telling me now that we should dig 3 graves. So help. No wahala. Today is today. I think I need to do a DNA.
Huh?
Yes.
Lola.
Yes. You should tell me.
Tell
me.
What kind of nonsense is this?
Whatever she promised you, you will never get it.
Sorry,
Why? I never want to do this, but the pressure is too much on me.
What pressure are you talking about? Sex? You will never get it from her. And if at all you do, she will use it against you for the rest of your life.
How sure are you about this?
You want to test your luck? Kill me. Go ahead and kill me.
Never. I will not do such a thing.
Now take yourself out of this place before I strike you dead. All I see is danger hovering around you.
Please, Nukwan, you must not tell anybody about this.
Get out. Get out!
I have to tell him.
You do no such thing.
Your Highness. He deserved to know what was said about his mother. He deserved to know.
And you think telling him that will make him have peace of mind and tranquility? You think so?
Well, I didn't say that. But I owe him that I have to be honest with him.
You lie.
He has to know that his mother has been marked for death.
You lie. You lie here. Nobody is marked for death. That is not going to happen. So why do you want to tell him? Why?
What if it happens? What if? Do you think I've been sleeping since this prophecy was made? Do you? I have to be ready and prepared for the worst.
My dear, nobody is dying here. I am sending you and my son to London this weekend. At least you have peace of mind and have all these things behind you. Okay? I think it's a wonderful offer.
What kind of thing is this? How could you do a thing like this? What is wrong with you? What did you do? How was it?
Mama, I am sorry. Hey, I've been telling you sorry all this while. I'm sorry.
Sorry for what? So you want to tell me among all the men in this community, you didn't see another man to seduce? It's only that of your sister. How could you? I'm disappointed in you. How can you seduce your sister's man?
I'm sorry. I don't even know what came over me. I'm sorry.
You're lying. I know you very well. I know you're lying. Amam need you up to something. You're up to something. Just make up your mind and tell me the truth. What are you up to? You, Ujunwa seduce a man. You know he's a lie now. What are you up to?
Well, Mama, if you must know, I had to disrupt the relationship my sister had with Obiora. I wanted to cut it off.
Hey! I said it. I knew you're up to something. But this was stupid now. Okay, you want to cut it. And this act you played now is the most stupid thing that any human being can do. How could you do a thing like that? Do you know that you ended up creating a big enmity between you and your sister? Why? What were you trying to separate them? Tell me why now.
Mama, have you forgotten about the vision? His death is near. He's very close.
Hi, and you thought doing this will separate them? Maybe that you thought that this is the best approach? Yes, you had a good intention. But playing it this way was the worst thing you did. Because you created an enmity between you and your sister. Now, she doesn't want to see you. If she sees you now, maybe you people will fight. You did the right thing at the wrong time now. Do you know how your sister sees you now?
I'm sorry, Mama.
It's not for me. Go and apologize to your sister. Better go there, kneel down and apologize to her. Stop trying to do things by yourself now. What do you want, Emma? The intention is good, but the action is wrong now. Ha!
Sorry.
Please, in the name of God, I am very, very sorry. I came to apologize on behalf of my sister.
over what my sister did the other time. I swear to God, like, I am shocked. I never expected such behavior from her. I'm really sorry. Please, find a place in your heart to forgive me. Forgive us, please. In the name of God, I'm begging you, please. Please.
Babe, I remember you told me your sister has been acting weird. You told me about it. And I also noticed that. I did. But one thing that is confusing me is you told me everything was okay.
That was because I really do not know what her problem is, really. Honest to God, I don't know. I have no idea. You know, there's something I'm sure about this, my sister. I think she's a sadist. She just hates it when something good is coming my way. She will just look for a way to spoil it. Please. Please. Forgive.
Babe, I think you know something. There is something you're not telling me. Yes, there is something you're hiding away from me. You're keeping away from me.
Oh, no.
I'm 100% sure this weirdness of your sister, it's not a thing of today. I'm sure she has not been like this before. This whole thing just came up.
Babe, it's irrelevant. There's no need. Seriously, there's no need talking about it.
Babe, listen. If you ain't gonna tell me the truth, I'm going to put an end to this relationship.
No, babe, please. It hasn't gotten to this, please.
I'm going to end it here, and you're gonna walk out of my life just like that.
Please.
Then tell me what I demand to know the truth.
Oh my God, she said something I really do not believe in. You know, one of those her weird behaviors and talks, you know. It's not important. That's why I'm not talking about it. I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to give her that's relevant.
What did she say? I demand to know the truth. Tell me. Spill. What did she say?
Please, it's not important. Please.
Ify, I want to hear it. What did she say? Speak!
It has to from that first day she saw you. She said that...
What did she say?
That you will die soon.
No matter how you hate, do not hate an innocent.
Hey, Ify, did you meet him at home? So what did he say?
I told him what my sister said, that he would die.
Hey! You did what?
Mama, I regret it now.
How could you have told him that?
Mama, I didn't know when he came out of it.
Hey! God.
Mama.
God.
Mama, let me tell you.
Then what did he do?
He asked me to leave his house. I think I've lost him. Mama, I messed up, I know. I messed up. Oh.
Hey!
I don't know what came over me. I messed up, Mama.
It's okay. You have to have faith at this point. I believe he will come around. It's not easy to digest that. Let him go and walk around. I believe he will come around at the right time. Oh, why did you even say it in the first one?
No, Mama. Oh. If I tell you, I know.
It's okay. It's okay.
I didn't know when I said it.
It's okay. He will come around. Calm down. He will come around. Give him time. Let him go around and think about it. You know? Don't lose hope.
That's the dumbest thing you've done since I've known you. What are you thinking? How can you sell yourself so cheap to him?
I'm sorry. I wasn't really thinking straight. I just thought maybe if I could separate them, you know, some certain things would be averted.
Is that how you reason? You know your sister will never forgive you for this. Come on, if you talked to me about this, I would have suggested you don't do that. Honestly, I'm disappointed.
Do you know what it feels like to see a vision about someone and yet you can't do anything about it? Do you?
So the best solution is to seduce your brother-in-law to be.
I'm sorry. I thought separating both of them, that the vision would be averted. I don't know what came into me.
You know what? Just go home and sort out things with your sister. Though she's mad at you right now for what you did, but you owe her an apology. I'm sorry. You better be sorry.
Others see her as wicked. Ooh. She's weak.
How far, Frank? Has it been done?
Yes.
Wait, you mean you've killed Ujunwa, the great seer of our land?
I snuffed out life out of her before coming.
Oh my goodness! Now you're talking to me. Are you serious? Oh my goodness. Thank you. Thank you. Now I have gotten my revenge for what she did to my brother. Yes. Now you're talking. Now you're talking. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, God. Oh.
No problem. Come. Where are you going to?
Remember
we had an agreement that after I'm done with it, that you remember what you promised me.
Which promise? Matanwoke, do I know you now? I'm a Wonyib.
Really?
Yes. Do I know you? Which one is let's talk about ourselves? What is there to talk about you? Who are you?
Don't joke with me. You know the stuff I'm made of. Don't you dare.
Exactly. You don't know me. Oluchi is always ahead of you. Yes, I know you will come up with this nonsense, stupid thing. Try me. Try me and watch me go to Igwe and tell him. You remember now how you killed your sister? Ibo mother. What I want to go. You did not see me, I did not see her.
No problem. No problem. No problem. I get one hour, no wahala.
I said you're not going to tell him anything about it.
And I said I'm going to tell him about it.
I am the man of this house. Not just that, I'm just the king of this kingdom. You have to obey me.
He's my son. He deserves to know. I owe him that. He deserves to know what was said about his mother.
And what was said about your mother?
Nothing, son.
I need to know.
Nothing. Nothing.
You have never kept any secrets from me. Why start now?
My son.
Don't.
Your Highness, please, allow me. Listen.
Mother.
During the time of your sickness, the village seer was called, and she said you are going to be well in no time, which later came to pass.
Is that necessary?
Father, please, let her speak.
The village seer also said that I've been marked for death.
What? Is that not absurd, my son? How is that going to happen? It's not possible.
There's nothing the seer has ever said that didn't come to pass. Nothing. Olisa, I owe you the truth and honesty. In case something terrible happens to me.
And nothing will happen to you, mother. Nothing.
Son, I told her. But she is still worrying about nothing.
Mommy, be strong. Nothing will happen to you.
My sister, please forgive me. I am very sorry. I'm sorry for what I did to you. I don't even know what came over me. Please. I told him what you said. That he would die. Now he has completely shut the door of his life against me. All because of you. You're happy now, right?
Very good. That way you'll be able to get over his
Ujunwa! I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Ujunwa, let me ask you. What did I ever do to you? How did I ever wrong you in this life to make you want to see me cry and be in pain?
I'm sorry.
Are you tormenting me like this? Why are you torturing me? Why? You love seeing me like this, right?
I'm sorry.
I tell you something. For every tear that drop from my eyes because of your sake, you will suffer the damn consequences, I promise you. No, Mama, let her begin to pray to her God. Pray to whatever chi, that demonic chi that always give you evil messages about people. Begin to beg that chi to help you out. Else, if he ever cancels my marriage plan with him, hey, what I will do to you? Mama, what talkative matter? Action must surely speak louder than voice. Action must surely speak louder than voice.
I'm sorry.
But I will not hear sorry. I will not hear sorry. Mama, what talkative matter? You will see that action speaks louder than voice. So stop. Be praying to your God. Be praying to your God. It's really bad.
What did she say? I demand to know the truth. Tell me. Spill. What did she say?
This is not important.
Ify, I want to hear it. What did she say? Speak!
It has to from that first day she saw you. She said that.
What did she say?
That you will die soon.
She is gifted. Obora kepwe ya buzukwanike. Whatever she sees happens. Ofukwe ome bacharanya. Gifted mind, her words ignite, her words saves.
I've been looking for you.
What is it?
You need to see the smile on her face when I told her that I've done what she said I should do, but when I asked her what she promised in return, she ignored me and walked away.
Why are you so stupid? Why do you behave like a daft? Seriously. Why do you want to kill yourself by yourself?
I don't understand.
You don't understand. If anything happens to you, then you brought it upon yourself. Don't you value your life?
I don't understand.
Run away from this village if you love and value your life. Run! Now!
What is wrong with her, Bikun? Eh? Hey, what is wrong with this girl in this village? Eh? I take it that madness has gotten into her. I should run. But who is fit to make me run from this village? Eh? It's not possible. Moi. Ban.
Some say she's evil. Others say she's a gift. But what do you think? Some see her as good. Others see her as wicked. Ooh. She's who she was meant to be.
Hey! Have you heard?
That what?
That this wicked witchy Ujunwa is dead.
What are you talking about?
You don't know what I'm talking about. It's Ujunwa, your friend, that I'm talking about. That stupid witchy, she is no more. She has seen it. This is just the beginning. It's remaining only you. You, Nge.
Is this how devilish you've become? What has she done to you that made you wish her death? Thank God you're not God. She is alive.
Oh, best of the same feathers. You guys flock together. It's remaining you. You will be the one to die next. Because she's the witchy that flies in the afternoon, and you fly at night. That is why you're very, very dark.
Yes, can't you see? But this is just the beginning. When was the last time that you saw her? I ask you.
I should be asking you the same question. Because I'm actually on my way to our house.
My sister, you will be shocked. You will be shocked on what you're going to see and hear. Because that's wicked Ujunwa, that demon, she is no more.
Wait, what were you trying to say before? What were you trying to say?
No.
Nonsense.
Ami,
my dear.
Why is that one running as if she saw a ghost?
Maybe she saw one.
Eh?
Let
me see. My girl. What's pursuing her?
Let's forget about her.
Anyways, I'm going to Bira's place. I want to apologize to him.
And I'm on my way to your house.
Yeah, let's go together.
Others see her as wicked. Ooh. She's who she was made to be.
Fool! Nobody born of a woman can take my Uju away from me.
Welcome, my prince.
Greetings.
Greetings, my prince. I'm so happy that you're okay now. We were so worried. We had you in all our prayers. Thank the gods that you're okay now. Welcome.
I'm all right now, thanks.
Welcome.
I'm here to see your daughter.
If I am my daughter?
I'm talking about the Seer. Is she the one?
No. Ujunwa, my second daughter, is a Seer, but she's not at home now.
I would like to have a talk with her.
When she comes back, I will tell her to come and meet you in the palace then.
Please do. It's extremely essential.
I will. I shall will, my prince. Thank you. Welcome. Thank you, my prince.
Some say she's evil, others say she's a gift.
What is good about the afternoon? Wait there. I was actually on my way to your house to look for you. Thank God your sister is here with me. Come. I want you to say it right here in front of your sister. Tell me exactly what you saw about me. In front of your sister.
Hey, first of all, I want to apologize for what happened the other day. It's not in my character to do such. Seriously.
Can you please tell me the exact thing you saw in your dream or your vision about me? What did you see?
I did not really see it well. I didn't place it well.
Uju!
Baby, calm down, baby.
Would you call this pretense, okay? Tell me the exact thing you saw in your vision about me. Tell me!
Hey, I did not see it well, seriously. I swear I did not see you in my vision.
Uju, can you stop lying? Who is this one? Uju, stop lying and just tell him exactly what he needs to know.
That's what I'm telling him. I did not see you. I did not.
Uju, are you trying to say you did not see me dead in your dream?
No,
vision?
I did not. I was just jealous. I wanted to snatch you from my sister. That's all.
Baby, you see what I told you? It's okay, Ujunwa, you can be going wherever you're going to with your
With your friend. Baby, I told you. Humans.
No matter how you hate, do not hate an innocent. No matter how you feel, do not hurt.
SMO, I called you here to reassure me of the fate of my wife.
Concerning what, my king?
Concerning what was foretold about her by the seer.
My king, I find it insulting and surprising that you are still believing and giving thoughts to what that intrepid of a girl said to you. She knows nothing, my king.
Yet, all she has foretold has come to pass.
By chance and coincidence, I will never be a part or support that girl. She's parading herself in this kingdom, destroying and separating families. My king, please put her on a leash so that we can end her nonsensical movement in this village.
SMO, are you assuring us that nothing will happen to my mother here?
Prince of our land, your mother's life is 100% guaranteed. Gods of our land revealed that to me. Yes.
So, I do have nothing to worry about.
My prince, be happy. Don't worry.
My queen, you heard him. That is the SMO talking.
I want to believe that you have made peace with Obiora.
Well, I would say yes. She told him that everything she saw were lies.
Oh, thank God.
But you know they are not lies. You know I was saying nothing but the truth. Just for peace to reign.
Juma, you have started again. No, you be the gozo.
Ify.
No, you have started again. Mama, you can see this girl is not remorse for anything.
If it's okay. Ujuma, can you stop? Can you stop saying nonsense?
Hey!
What is wrong with you?
Okay.
Whatever it is that you saw about this young man, let it go. After all, several days have passed and nothing has happened to this boy. Stop interfering in your sister's relationship.
Azeno.
Get
your own now. Get your own. Fubali also, get your own and start saying this.
Did you hear me, Ujuma?
I've heard you, Mama. I'm sorry.
Sorry for yourself.
The prince was here earlier on today, so you should come and meet him in the palace.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay.
I am more than disappointed in you.
Ha! What have I done? I don't understand.
The way you lied to Obiora was so convincing and sincere from the heart. That is wicked. I never knew I had a friend that could lie that well.
So what are you expecting me to do? To tell him nothing but the truth? Is that it? Were you expecting me to tell him the truth?
I am not saying you shouldn't. Okay? What I am saying is the lie was so perfect. And that makes me start getting worried about all you've been telling me.
In other words, you're trying to say that I've not been honest in this friendship.
What I am trying to say is I never knew I had a friend that could lie so well. Come on! You started making me suspect everything you said to me. How am I supposed to trust you?
You know, you've never believed in me. You've never valued our friendship. There is nothing that I will do that you will not find fault in. Just let me be.
Some say she's evil.
Look, one, I greet you.
My name is not Nollywood. My name is Ujunwa. Any problem?
Great one, who got you angry this
My
afternoon?
name is not Great One, my name is Ujunwa. Are you deaf?
I'm sorry. I was on my way to your house.
What is it? Any problem?
Please, I'm a businessman. I based in Lagos. I returned for burial ceremony and I'll be going back tomorrow morning.
And how is that my business?
Please, I want to know the fate of my business. And I also want to know if I will return to Lagos successfully without any road accidents.
You can choose to stay in Lagos or back in the village. I don't care. Don't you understand it?
Please, help me. If it is money, I have money.
So why with you and your stupid money? Just let me be.
No matter the fury, no matter the rage, do not hate an innocent. To hate the innocent is to imprison the sage.
Thanks for accepting to see me.
Who am I to reject your son? You are an authority in this kingdom.
I know, but judging by your position and the things that you can do, I was expecting a compliance to my demand, but all the same, thanks for coming. I was told you were here while I was sick.
Yes, I was here. And I told your majesty that you will leave. Because I saw no death around you.
And that came to pass. I'm thankful to you for that.
Do not thank me yet, my prince. For where there is happiness, there is sorrow lurking within.
This is about my mother, the queen, isn't it?
I'm sorry I had to break such news to the palace, but I had no other option. I had promised myself that I would never tell anyone anything that will make them feel sad or cry.
You are saying what you saw and what you were showed. So why would anyone have a problem with that?
People in this kingdom have problem with that. They don't like hearing the truth. They tag me the prophetess of doom. They call me the messenger of doom.
Well, you don't have to worry about what people will say. I mean, they will always have something to say. They will always do. I summoned you here because there's a more assured us that nothing is going to happen to my mother, the queen. And I want to really believe that.
My prince, I don't know what you discussed with the Ezemo. And I don't care about it. As for my vision, it will surely come to pass.
Are you saying that my mom will die eventually?
She is gifted. And
what did the prince call you to the palace? What did he say?
Nothing much. He was just asking about his mother. And then the Ezemo was there giving them false hope.
Hey!
Mama, I think it's better I start giving people false hope henceforth.
Mbanin, God forbid. Why?
Because telling people the truth has done me more harm than good.
That is not the reason you tell them lies. People deserve to know their destiny. It's their right. When they come, you tell them the right thing. You want to change to become a bad person now?
You supported me in lying to Obiora.
Because I was saving your sister now.
What's the difference? Why can't I lie to every other person out there?
The difference is that this one is family lie. That one is public lie. If you lie in public, but this one is family lie. We can cover it to save your sister. You can't just turn overnight and become a liar when they know you as a good seer. Can you like us? I know now. It won't happen in my time. Don't say it. People have the right to know their destinies. You don't say you want to be telling people lie. How? How?
Some say she's evil, others say she's a gift. But what do you think?
Listen, what is it? Why are you seated here all alone?
Nothing, mother.
Nothing. You said nothing and you are crying. Eh? Talk to me, I'm your mother, Olisa. What is it? What is the problem? Talk to me.
I went to see her.
Who?
This year.
Olisa shouldn't have gone to see her.
I went to clarify things with her as to what she saw about you.
You shouldn't have. She will only confuse you the more. Eh?
Mother, I don't want to lose you. I don't want anything to happen to you, Mother.
You're not going to lose me. Nothing will happen to me. You're not going to lose me. My life is in the hands of the gods.
Mother.
I don't even know why she repeated what she told me to you.
Mother, she spoke with utmost certainty. But I'm not going to let anything happen to you. Never.
Something will happen to me. Okay? Put yourself together. Do I look sick? Eh? Stop this thing you are doing now. Stop it. What's wrong? I'm not going anywhere. Okay?
I believe you know her, right?
Who doesn't know Junwa the Seer in this village?
So can you do it?
Are you sure our people don't need her?
What do our people need an Obanje for? She's nothing but an evil child who only causes problems to anyone that comes close to her. I need you to kill her. Can you do it?
As long as there is... I can.
How much are we talking about?
But you know the pain spirits now.
No matter how you hate, do not hate an innocent. No matter how you feel.
What is going on here, my queen?
I'm traveling.
I don't understand. Why the sudden decision?
Your Highness, I don't want to be here if I'm going to die. I don't want my son to witness my death here in this palace.
Death?
I don't want that.
Death? I don't understand what you're talking about. Who is dying here?
Your Highness, we don't have to lie to ourselves or pretend nothing was said about my life. I just don't want to be here when it comes to pass. That's all.
You are still listening to that seer of a girl. This is rather psychic. Why did you just allow that girl to walk into your psyche to this magnitude? Why?
Your Highness, please. I do not want to debate this with you. I know what the Ezemo said. I also know what the seer said. I do not want to be here before what the seer said happens.
And what if it doesn't happen?
Then I will come back to my kingdom, where I will be at the right-hand side of my husband, the king. But for now, I need to leave this place. Please.
Is everything okay?
Yes.
What is going on?
We need to see our seer. We need her help.
Yes, ma. We need her help. That's
Is that why you all are here?
Yes,
Only?
ma.
Only?
Yes, ma.
Oh, good. No, let me call Obeli Fena. Let me call her.
Thank you.
Ujuma! Ujuma!
Good afternoon, ma.
Yes, good afternoon. What can I do for you, please?
Please, our kingdom seer, we need your help with divining our future. And
Please. Please, ma. Please, help us.
Well, I'm sorry to disappoint you all. I no longer want to divine anybody's future. Please, if you don't mind, take your leave.
Why will you tell them that?
Mama, because I am tired of telling people the truth. And yet they make me an enemy.
Hey, but they're all here to see you now. They're begging.
Please, like I said, I no longer divine people's future. Please.
Please go. I am not ready. Please, ma. Please, we're here. Please, ma.
What you want? I will beg her. You can't go. Hi. You're waiting for the Seer.
So, bro, which girl are we talking about? I hope shall Elizabeth go like this, and I hope the pay is reasonable.
You know I don't bring rubbish jobs now normally. You're talking about 200k, 200 bah, no middleman, just you and I.
All the Elizabeth okay.
And now
I can even kill the Igwe for such an amount of money.
I trust you. See, the only reason I brought this job to you is because I know you're the only one that can give a professional job, clean one. I don't want rubbish, so you know my way.
You don't need to bother yourself. I've been killing before, Nene. My eyes are yearning to see blood. So tell me, which girl are we talking about here?
I trust you. The village seer.
What did you just say?
Would you the village seer now? I know it will be a bit confusing for you as to who would want her dead. But don't worry. Body know the pain spirit. The money is catchy. 200 per now. So, 4 years at one time.
Who contracted you for this job?
I don't understand.
Who wants her dead?
Your daughter dared the gods of our ancestors. Yes, and you are asking the gods of our ancestors for a wrestling bout.
There's more now. There's more. This thing you said that is not working now. My daughter cannot hurt a fly.
I don't even know what he's talking about.
Are you so sure you're talking about my daughter? You're mistaking her for another person.
Nobody will and will never rob me of my senses. She knows exactly what I'm talking about.
Well, I don't.
How dare you?
Every time you'll be doing this thing, I don't like this one. What is it that you have against my daughter? As long as I'm alive, I will not stand and watch you threaten my daughter. What did she do against you that you always look for a way to threaten her?
Your daughter, they're the gods of our ancestors. Yes. Recently, she had a false proclamation on the queen. Yes. She has been going around with false prophecies on our people, deceiving them. Tell her to deceive from
False prophecies?
Yes. Tell her to go to the palace and tell them that everything she said is nothing but lies.
Well, I'm sorry to burst your bubbles. In as much as I would have loved to tell the queen what you just said, the truth still remains that what I saw will surely come to pass.
Ma'am!
Any more word you utter, I will strike you to death.
Hey!
Yes!
No.
Yes!
Mamma. Yes. You can't
Mama.
strike my daughter. No. They can strike her dead.
Tell her to go back to the palace and tell them that everything she said is nothing but lies. If you don't stop, you will face my wrath.
She won't face anything. She won't face anything. What are you even saying?
Mama, you see why I don't want to be doing this Seer job again? I don't want to be seeing anything, whether it's good or bad. I don't want to see again.
But I'm fighting for you.
Mama, I don't want to see. I don't want to be a Seer.
I am also fighting with you. Wait, let's talk about it.
Some say she's evil, others say she's a gift. But what do you think? Some see her as good, others see her as weak.
So, in your mind, you feel you've escaped my wrath. Obaya? Witchy! That is what you think.
What is your problem? No, seriously, what is your problem? What have I done to you? My only crime is that I told you what I saw about your brother. That's all. Why are you following me about?
Oh, really? You saw something about my brother and you can't even offer a solution to it. I can see you're very, very happy. You're very, very happy to see me and my family lose my only brother.
Why would you think that I'm happy seeing you cry?
That is all you do.
But I'm not happy.
Bet me if you're going to live beyond today. You demon.
There's anyone that would not live beyond today, it is you.
It is you.
You know why? I see death hovering around you.
Back to sender.
If I were you, I would go back home and look for a way to avert what is coming to me.
Back to sender to you. Or one day, witchy. You see you will be the one to die. Did you hear me? It's you that will die, stupid thing. Look at her. Or one day, I will show you. Ha! You don't even know what is coming for you. Eh? It's yours. Nonsense. By the time I'm done with you, you will see. Look at her. Witchy. White witch. Woo! Okay, who are you? What is it? Leave me!
Baby. How are you?
Hey, what was with the medical result?
Babe, I had to rush to the hospital to check on my health status quo. You know how it is. I needed to be sure that your man is healthy and fit.
A medical test?
Yes. Oh, you thought I wasn't scared over what your sister told you as regard to my health? That I would die. I'm not dying any sooner, sweetheart. I'm not dying, okay?
Yes.
It has been confirmed that your baby is healthy and fit. Yes.
It's actually okay that you did the test, right?
Yeah.
At least to ascertain your health, that you are okay. But please, don't take to heart what that mad girl said. She's my sister. I know how she talks. Please, don't take it seriously. It's not that deep. Don't let it bother you, please.
Babe, I understand, okay? But the good news is, I've gone to the hospital and I have been certified that I'm okay. I'm not dying today, not tomorrow.
You are not even dying.
I'll live forever for you.
Yes, you live forever for me. I just don't want you to think about it, please.
I won't. You know what, sweetheart? I learned something new. Let me show it to you in the bedroom. Okay. You just drop the medical, it's not important. Okay. Let's hit it. Come on, let's go. show you something. Let's go.
She is gifted. Whatever she sees happens. Gifted mind, her words ignite, her words saves. Jealousy cannot stop it, envy cannot stop it. Eluke funanya, eluke funanya, eruka ifunanya, eruka ifunanya, eruka ifukwere.
Mother, is that the right decision for you?
Well, I've made up my mind.
Yeah, but what are you talking about? SMO has already said that.
I know what he said. And I'm still confident that nothing will happen to me. But I need to leave town for a while, just in case.
Mother, if that's your decision, then I will support that.
Why support such son? Why do you want to support your mother on this? Where do you think you are going to? Where are you going to?
Well, Your Majesty, I will stay at my parents' house at Philmond village. I'll be there till all this is over and I feel safe again. I just want you to permit me to do this, please. Permit me to do this. Pico.
You have my permission in that case. And you have my blessing too.
Thank you, Highness. Thank you.
But please, do me one favor.
What?
Do not stay long in returning.
I won't, Your Highness.
In that case, Mother, I and the guards will see you off to the outskirts of the village.
That won't be necessary. You don't have to stress yourself.
No, Mother, I insist. I'm going with you.
All right, if you say so. But I want you to take care of yourself, okay?
I will, Mom. Now, let's go.
Guys!
You know they fear, so you have the guts. Eh? You have the guts.
What have I done to you? What did I do to you? What have I done to you? You should leave me, let me go. What is all this now?
Okay, you don't know what you have done to me, so you want to kill my girlfriend.
Your girlfriend? Do I know your girlfriend? I'm your girlfriend. Why are you telling me that I want to kill your girlfriend? I'm innocent, just leave me alone.
I know you're confused as to what is going on here. You contracted me to kill the Seer girl, Akoya? Eh? And then I was so booked. So I called him to help me do the job. Then he confirmed that the Seer girl is actually his girlfriend that you wanted to kill. I mean, you wanted me to kill. So what is happening here is actually a man helping his fellow man. Because last, nothing man do man. Akoya?
Unto Guinea one. Eh, nah. Unto Guinea, say you won't fall my girl for this village. Eh? Or you don't know she's my girlfriend?
I didn't know she's your girlfriend. Oh. I'm around that way.
Okay, you don't know she's my girlfriend. And that's the biggest mistake you've ever done. Nobody in this town will think evil about my girl and lives to tell the tale. Eh? When they go this one and never knew also. Come on. Today, I will bury you alive. Let me go.
Ah! Hey! God of our land! I think you should report him to the Igwe.
Me? Report Ezemo to the Igwe. I don't want to report Ezemo. I don't want to report to the Igwe. I don't want to report to anybody. You understand?
Nah, Maka. He threatened your daughter. What right does the Ezemo have to threaten her? What have she done to him? Or is it a crime
for her to say what she was shown in the vision. Is it?
Hey, I won't know what she has shown. What has she done to deserve all this enmity everywhere? Okay, her gift to mankind. How has it helped her? Do you know the trouble my daughter is going through? She's going through a lot. Just because she's trying to tell people what she's seeing, you know. So it's causing a lot of problems. Let her keep it for herself. Let her chief fight now.
So she shouldn't use her power anymore, given to her by her she to help mankind. Is that what you mean?
Let her chief come out if I use the way. She will tell them something, they turn it against her. Tell her this one, they turn against her. I'm not reporting anybody.
I'm not in support of this.
I don't be. It's not your daughter, that's why you're not seeing it. My daughter is going through a lot. A lot! It seems that's a report is more. No.
Okay, if you say so.
Let the chief come and defend himself.
Let it be the way you want.
Uju,
I am sorry about the other time.
I should be the one telling you sorry for the way I reacted. I was actually very angry and frustrated.
I understand. But is it the anger that made you to stop using your power to help people? I heard that from the villagers.
Well, you heard right. I'm done with those powers.
You're done? Come on, it's not something you just wake up one morning and say you're done.
Well, I am done, and that's it.
No, that's anger and frustration at work. You know what? I'll give you some time to get over it. But just know that's not the best decision. And they may have consequences.
Help with the consequences. I'm done.
My king, I heard she's no longer using her powers. She's also no longer telling people about any of her prophecies.
But do you think she can live now with that?
Why not? She has been deceiving our people with her fake prophecies. So it will be the best if she puts such nonsense to a stop.
I hope so. I hope so, but on the contrary, I am having the feeling that my people will revolt.
My king, why would they revolt? Don't we have Ezemo by our means anymore who can also tell us exactly what she has been telling us? She can go to hell. She should stop deceiving our people. And she's very small to crumble our people to their feet. It's not possible she can't.
That. Oh no.
My king.
What about your daughters? Have you reconciled with them?
My king, I'm doing my best.
She is gifted. Whatever she sees happens. Gifted mind, her words ignite, her words saves. Jealousy cannot stop it.
Break? Jesus. Hey! No!
Father, I just saw her off to the outskirts of our village. She should be heading to Umoji by now, so expect her call.
Are you aware that I'm not happy that she left?
I know, Father, and thank you for granting her request.
I did what I did because of you, and because I know she's going back to meet with her people. Definitely, they will ask her to come back to the palace. Yes? Yes. This is King Obumneme of Omaku village. Huh? Accident. Where? How? When? Now?
Greetings, my king.
Ezemo, you told us, you assured us that nothing is going to happen to her. I should have known not to believe the words that came out of your rotten mouth. I lost her. I lost my mother to the cold hands of death.
I'm sorry, my king and my prince. In fact, I am speechless.
You better remain speechless because I do not want you to say anything. Just go your way. Get out of here this moment!
Get out and leave! He said you should leave. Leave!
I am sorry. As if it will bring my wife back.
Hey! Tell me it's not true.
It's true.
Hey! Oh! Hey! Alumekwa. Hey, Alumekwa. Oh! Hey!
Mama, what is he talking? Mama, get from?
Hey!
What is it?
The queen is dead. The queen is dead. Hey! Wait. How did it happen? How?
She had an accident on her way to the city, just to avert the prophecy that was given concerning her.
Prophecy, Ujunwa. Ujunwa prophecy. Prophecy, oh, Ujunwa, boy. Hey! Prophecy. Hey! Prophecy.
What is it?
You know what I want. Amara, she's no longer talking to me. You have to help me.
I've told you times without number. There is nothing I can do. She's the one to make the choice and not me.
I know. But you have to make her see reasons to accept me. I love her so much.
I know you love her, but she's not interested.
You are her only trusted friend. And I know you can convince her to see reasons with me. You need to help me.
There's nothing I can do.
Listen, you have to help me.
What do you mean by that?
All I'm saying is this. Help me get her, or you get hurt.
Hey, Buka.
Yes. The choice is yours to make. Help me get her, or you get hurt. Agwasakwange.
Babe, did you just say the queen is dead?
Yes.
Wait. You also told me the last time your sister visited the palace, she was with the queen, right? Wait, Did she also see the death of the queen before her demise?
Sweetheart, does it matter? Listen to me, I don't care about my sister or whatever she said or anything about her. I don't care. I don't want to know.
Babe, answer the damn question.
It doesn't matter. Babe, listen to me. What matters is that you will live for me. Babe. Okay? And you will live forever. Nothing will happen to you. That is the most important thing. Whatever she said doesn't matter to me.
Babe, you lied to me. And she lied to me too. Babe, did you put her to this?
No.
Did you ask her to...
Babe, can you calm down, please? Please, let me explain.
Don't tell me to calm down! Don't! We'll revisit this issue when I'm back.
Babe, please come back. Please.
Some say she's evil, others say she's a gift. But what do you think?
You're looking for my talk. You're looking for my talk. Stop following me now. What is your problem? If I don't follow you, who will I follow now? Because you know. I'm going to report it to the Igwe. Because I am sick and tired of this nonsense. Can report to the police or the governor. I don't care. You don't care. You don't care. Is it bad for a young man like me to express my love to you? Which love? You love. The only thing I see hovering around you is darkness. How can you love when your heart is not even pure? Malisha, listen. I can change. I can change for you. I believe you can make me a better man. Well, only you can make yourself a better man. And until I see that change in you, that love will never come. Malisha, go home. I go nowhere. Listen to me, listen. Baby, you can make me change. You're hurting me, you're hurting me, you're hurting me.
Shut up! Tell me what you saw about me! Tell me what you saw about me! I know you lied to me the other time! I demand to know the truth! Tell me exactly what you saw about me!
I don't know, I didn't see anything, please, in my leg.
I know you saw something about me! I saw you see! And you refused to tell me! I demand to know what it is! I'll fight you to death! I'll kill you!
I'll show you dead. And there's nothing I can do to avert it.
So why did you lie about this to me? Why did you do this to me? Take it out!
Some say she's evil, others say she's a gift. But what do you think? Some see her as good.
Organica, why is your face like this? What is it? What happened? What is it? You don't talk to me now. What happened? Whoa! Ogini! Would you talk now?
Obiora is dead.
Obiora
is dead.
Hey! Uju! Hey, Chimo! Hey! 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 Oh! Hey! Obiora is dead, oh. Chibala potamo. Hey! Hey!
Obiora! Hey! Ebo! No! Hey! Obiora! Obiora! Wait! Obiora! Hey! Somebody help me! Hey! Somebody! Obiora! Jesus! Obiora! Obiora! No!
What happened to him?
Obiora! Obiora! Jesus! Hey! Ewo! No! Ewo! Please help me!
Obiora, wake up now, wake up. Obiora.
Just like that.
What are you going to do?
Hey!
Obiora, I'm here. Obiora. Hey!
Eruka ifunanya, eruka ifunanya, eruka ifunanya, eruka ifunkwere, eruka ifunanya, eruka ifunanya, eruka ifunkwere, anamaka.
You have to pull yourself together, son. Personally, I do not know how I am going to forget this tragic loss in a hurry. But all the same, the gods knows why they took her. You cannot fight the gods.
I thought she has escaped it. I thought she has cheated on death.
I thought the same, son. I do not know why the gods have chosen to take her this time. But they are not going to be blamed. Ezemo has a lot to explain to this.
It's not his fault, Father. He has no right to change the will of the gods. It's just that these things was never shown to him. He led us on a blind faith.
And that is exactly the reason I will never forgive him in a hurry. Never.
All of my cast to go. I need to leave this village immediately.
Okay, so where do you intend going from here?
I'm here to decide, but I just need to leave this town immediately.
You're sounding serious. What's up? What happened?
I killed Obiora in the presence of my girl, Uju.
You did what? Why go lose God? How would you do such a thing?
He wanted to kill her. He almost strangled her to death if I didn't show up. So I have to do what I had to do to protect my girl.
Now, wow. This is serious, oh. See now.
That's the reason why I need to leave this town immediately.
But your woman ought to understand it was in her defense you acted now. She's supposed to know now.
She will not go understand.
Why? Women.
She will not understand. See, bro, I beg. See, bro, miss more money. Make I add to the one I get. So I feel leave this village immediately before the police come.
That one has small matter. That one has small thing. You could just wait there. My said the phone and generator were at thief yesterday. If I just sell them just give me 2 days, my hailer.
Bro, I don't get 2 days. You don't understand what I tell you. I don't have 2 days. If I leave here now, I need to chapa immediately for this town. I beg.
Bro, you now. Need 2 days. What do you want me to do now? Body need the pain spirit too. I don't know why they drop the 2 days. If I set that generator now, I know I go raise like 10K to reach you. Go anywhere they go.
If I was about coming to look for you, I'm sure you must have heard.
I am very sure right now that this devil daughter of yours, this cursed Owanje, is happy that her prophecy has come to pass, okay? Your prediction has come to pass. You're happy.
Why will I be happy? I don't even wish such predicament on anybody. Not to talk more of Obiora. I am pained, Mama.
Clap for yourself. Prophetess of doom, clap for yourself. Demon from the pit of hell, clap for yourself. He's dead now. No, your prediction has come to pass. You should be happy. I tell you something. As I'm in pain like this, you will never know peace for the rest of your life.
I reject it.
For the rest of your life.
Hey, no more.
As I mourn the death of my loved one, you will never ever witness happiness. No, happiness ceases from your life this minute. And you will die single for the rest of your life.
God forbid. It's not my portion.
You will remain single.
Why are you saying this?
Mama, as I have said it, so shall it be.
No, she didn't
so shall
kill Obiora.
it
She didn't kill Obiora now. The idiot that killed him is in the police custody now. It's not your sister's fault now. Why are you cursing her? If you want one more. If you want more. If you want more. Hi. If you want more. Hi.
Ezemo, from the look of things, the king is not happy with you. So I will advise you, do not go close to him now until he is done grieving.
Oh no. Why would the king be angry? It is not my fault. All I told him was what was shown to me by the gods of our land.
The gods of our land? Since when did the gods start lying?
Caution, Ono. We speak of the gods here.
Foreigners don't know who should take the caution. Is it me or you who has used the name of the gods in vain? I can't understand you.
Ono, I will not stand here and watch you insult me. Yes.
Zemo, me insulting you. You should know that you should be thanking the Igwe for not disrobing you of what you did. You failed. That little girl, yes, she is gifted in divining the future, not you.
Oh no, can we encourage you? Upon him, Chirone, now one way go wherever. Nga wanyele, and the wanyele. If I get me.
Me? The gods has abandoned you. Hard up, you got your business again, man. Hey! Again.
Oh God of my ancestors, why have you deserted me? What a humiliation. Huh? Haven't I served you for years? Huh? Where did I go wrong? You let an egg break a pan kernel, leaving the stone ashamed. Huh? I will stop serving you. You do not answer my prayers anymore. No, I give up. I give up. No more.
If you touch me, what are you doing? What does it look like I'm doing? Burning them to ashes. Are these not my clothes? The clothes that I dashed you, right? No, Ichefugo. Do you have memory loss? The clothes that I dashed you. And right now, I want you to go inside. Pack everything you know that I've given to you that are currently in your possession. Bring them out now. I would rather wash them, burn to ashes, than have you wear them. You a human being. You are evil, this girl. Stop it now.
Stop, please. I'm sorry. If you put all these clothes now, which clothes will I now be wearing?
I want you to go naked. I want you to go naked. You have to dance naked in the market square so people will see your nakedness. I know that you are evil. You are wicked. You are wicked.
I'm sorry.
Sorry, kill you there.
I didn't kill him.
You didn't kill him.
You
didn't kill him. Do you know that I would have rather preferred you are the one that died than my Obiora? You are not supposed to, for any reason whatsoever, to be living, sharing this same living world with the living. You are not supposed to be here. You're supposed to be dead and gone. You are evil. You are evil.
You are evil. I'm sorry. I did not kill him. You know that is inevitable now.
What you did to your sister is pure wickedness. That is wickedness now. How could you do that to your sister?
Mama Nkabobele, what she did to me is wickedly wicked.
What did she do to you? K4 Maggie, that she saw something about your man and told you about it. Had it been you listened to your sister, you would have ended this relationship and averted this danger.
Mama, she did not carry her big poisonous viper mouth to go and be putting on waiting no consign her. Business that is not her problem. Obiora wouldn't have tried killing her.
Did you hear yourself speak? Obiora was about killing your sister. If not that Ebuka jumped into the scene and saved your sister. Why would Obiora want to kill her? What did she do?
Mama, I can never fault Obiora. The whole fault is on your daughter. The flippant mouth that cannot keep her mouth one place. Always saying evil, evil, evil for people.
It's not her fault that she's a seer.
Okay.
Kill your problem.
Mama, let her try and see for you now, or see for herself. Does she don't want change in her life?
But you're very wicked though. Look at yourself and see the kind of wickedness you're melting on your sister. Okay. I like being, I stand on the path of justice. Better stop this before you get out of hand though.
Mama, do me, I do you. Man, no go verse. Go. This is just the beginning. This is just the beginning.
Better end this.
It's not
end this. This is wickedness, oh. End this scene, oh.
We are just in part 1. Okay. Mama, can't be the beginning, self. This is the beginning, oh. This is the beginning, oh. How far this thing in there, but this is the beginning. Beginning.
You see this, your sister, eh? She knows what she's doing. She knows.
I don't understand.
You don't understand. If she swears that she didn't have a solution to what was to before Obiora, I am very sure that Ogokun will kill her. Very, very sure.
Wait a minute. You mean she has a solution?
Yes, of course. Who sees a vision that doesn't have a solution to it? Eh? Why are you believing her? She's not innocent after all. Because if she's innocent, she will know. She's not innocent. Let your sister know what she's doing. She knows. And I'm even thinking you're not believing her. The way you're behaving, you are.
No matter how you hate, do not hate an innocent.
Hi, Uju. Tragedy has happened. Oluchi's body was found decomposing in a shallow grave.
What? Oh my goodness, God. But I warned her. I cautioned her.
I don't understand. You met her?
I saw the spirit of death hovering around her. I brought it to her notice. I cautioned her. Who could have done such an evil act?
Don't empathize over her death. Come on, she was already planning to get rid of you. I think she got what she deserved.
What? Don't say that. No matter what, she's still our friend. I mean, she was a good friend. God.
Greetings, my prince.
greetings.
My prince, please, I am sorry for what happened to your mother. I wish there was something I could have done to avert it. Please do not punish me. I beg of you, my prince, please.
I did not bring you here so that I can punish you. I know what happened to my mother is quite unfortunate and heartbreaking, but that's not the reason you're here. You know, I'm still amazed by your power of clairvoyance. I want us to be friends. I want you close to me so you can be directing my footsteps.
My prince, I don't direct people's footsteps. All I do is see visions for people, especially the unfortunate ones. That's all.
I understand, but I still insist you're the right person to direct my footsteps henceforth. And I will make you my special advisor. How does that sound?
Do you know that anybody in this land that hurts you equally hurts me? That girl is too small to be a threat to you. Just allow me to kill this girl. I can kill her before sundown.
No. Papa, I said no. Let her be. I will find a better way to do it.
Why you think about this thing I'm telling you? Let me just kill her once and for all. Do you know the level of disgrace this girl has brought upon you? Do you know?
I said no, Ejike. Enough of this conversation. Are you not going hunting today?
Papa, I will go. But think of it. Let me kill her.
What do you mean by you saw the guards taking her to the palace?
Mama, I was with her and the next thing the guard came and took her away.
Hey! Shimala Potakwam. They took her to the palace.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi! They want to kill this girl. They want to kill this girl. Me, I'm going to the palace. Let me down. Ujuma, why did they take you to the palace?
The prince said he wanted to see me.
Hi! Oh. So now he's blaming you for the death of the queen.
No, Mama.
I must take her to this village. You can't no, Mama.
It's not because of it. He just wants to be friends with him.
What? He said,
Man, you hate me.
You want to be what?
Amaka. Is anybody home? Oh, your mother. Is your mother and the sister around? Are you not the one I'm talking to? Couldn't imagine. She just abandoned me. These children of these days. What kind of children do we have these days?
Nai, good morning.
Amaka.
Good morning.
Good morning. Is anything wrong with your daughter, the one that just left? I was talking to her and she just abandoned me like nobody.
Yes. She has not been in a very good mood for a long time now. She's not with him. I hope there's no problem. This one that you came here.
No problem. I've just come to see your daughter this year. Is she around?
She's not around. It's a royal family that asked you to come and bring her. Are they accusing her of killing the queen? It's not. She didn't kill the queen, no. Oh, when he was that it's just a prophecy.
Namaka. I know. Nobody's accusing her.
Oh, you know?
Of course, everybody do. I have just gone to see her on my own. I just need her help. Is she around? Please, call her for me.
On your own?
Of course, yes.
I can't wait to strangle that idiot with my bare hands.
Strangle who? Who are you referring to?
Why are you sounding like you don't know who I'm talking about? I'm talking about this so-called Seer.
My brother, come out from there. You see? But what saucy? Just come out from there. Say something else, please. Alpha.
Why are you acting like you didn't see the humiliation of my father? To to the extent that the villagers no longer respect my father. My father almost destroyed his shrine because of that so-called girl. And you act like you don't know what I'm talking about.
My friend, I will say this to you. You have to listen, because I will say it just once. Because you are my friend, though. Whatever that have to do with the Seer, Oga Bawaso, death has no medicine. Are you hearing me? Bawaso, what's that you saying? I thought you even called me here for something important. Maybe if I get ready, you're just saying something, saying rubbish. What are you saying?
I thought you were a hard guy. A hard guy that I used to know. I never knew you were a coward. You sounded like a coward.
But you know the pain spirits now. Who's talking about being a coward here? You're supposed to know me. But when it comes to the Seer or God, no one has ever threatened her life and come out free or survive it. So I have just one advice for you. Have a rethink, or better still, count me out. Count me what? Out. When we log on now.
Amici, I will be the first to kill her, and I will still be alive.
My king, I am sorry for what happened to the queen. I wish you don't punish me for it. And sincerely...
Don't worry, my daughter. You don't have to blame yourself. Actually, I ask you to come here to apologize to you for not believing in what you said about my late wife. If I had believed in what you said, her last days on earth would have been very, very memorable.
I wish there was something I could have done to avert that vision. But I was just helpless. I couldn't do anything.
Like I said originally, you don't have to blame yourself at all. You can't avert what the God already have designed. Just don't blame yourself. All right?
You're right, Your Majesty. Thank you so much for your understanding.
Thank you. Just like my son said earlier, I would like you to be part of this royal family. I would like you to be our eyes in the spiritual realm and watch our back. My daughter, you're welcome.
Your Highness, I promise to always be at your service.
Good. My dear, what my father here is trying to say is that you can even come and live here with us. We need you to inform us and direct us in any way that you can.
You're welcome.
Why are you like this? Eh? I know getting over Obera will be very difficult for you right now. But you have to move on, my dear. He's dead and gone.
Everybody keeps saying move on, move on, move on. Move on to where? No, move on to where? When the person that killed my man is still alive and living. Not just living under the same roof with me. And you expect me to move on like it's so easy, right?
Are you referring to your sister? But you know it's that hooligan Ebuka that killed her, right?
Oh, you listen to me.
Yes.
Ebiora, my fiance, wouldn't have been dead by now if my useless sister and her evil prophecy were not in the picture. I mean, if she had kept her mouth closed and don't go about saying things for people that did not ask for it, my man will still be living for me till now. He will still be alive, I am sure. But remember I said this. I will make her feel worse pain that I am feeling. Now I must get my pound of flesh. I will make her life so miserable that she will beg for death. She won't see it. Mark this word.
If it's okay, you just have to stop crying, okay? Please.
Why do you want to go to the palace?
Well, Mama, the king asked me to come and stay at the palace with him.
The king asked you to come and live in the palace?
Yes.
But why would you leave me and your sister here to go and live in the palace?
Well, Mama, I just told him I'm going to think about it.
Why would the king ask you to come and live in the palace with them?
Mama.
How come what now?
He just wants me to be guiding and informing him on some certain things. That's all. But I've not made up my mind yet.
Better. Can't he be calling you from here? You come and answer him. Well, Ono was here earlier on to see you.
Oh yes, I've seen him.
Eh?
One of his daughters will be getting married very soon. It's actually good news.
Hey! Good news! His daughter getting married. Hi, Ujumwa. Equal one good news. Good news! Hey! Oh no, we'll be so happy.
He will. I mean, he is very happy.
He'll be so happy.
Mama.
Oh no, we'll be so happy.
Yes.
Ay, 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 ay.
My prince, father, consider getting married to her. Who? The Seer girl.
Dad?
Don't get me wrong. We need that girl more than we need Ezemo now. And getting married to her will bring her closer to us.
I don't think so, Dad. I mean, proposing marriage to her now may suggest desperation from our side. And besides, I'm not ready to marry yet.
I do not want us to miss this opportunity.
I understand, Father. But we need to be patient with this girl to make her decision.
Ifeanyi, I want to know what it is that your sister did. That you have hardened your mind, your heart, never to forgive her. What is it that is so hard for you to forgive your sister? Eh?
Mama, please, in the name of God, I don't want to talk about Ujunwa here. Please. Please.
No, but why is your heart so strong? She's your blood, though. The only sister you have in this world. Now, let this go.
Mama, what are you looking from my mouth? No, what is it you want to hear from me? Mama, please, whatever you are looking for, I tell you, you will not get it. Simple and short, I don't want to talk about Uju. Is it a problem?
I know why I'm saying this. You are pushing Uju to relocate to the palace. Yeah, that's what you're doing. If you don't forgive her, she'll just relocate to the palace.
Huh? Wait a minute. Uju wants to relocate to the palace. As in, she wants to move to the palace.
Yes. The king asked her to move to the palace with them. And the reason she will consider this option is because she doesn't have peace in this house. You don't want to give her peace. You don't want to forgive her. Every day, this constant quarrel. I know that is what will push her to make her decision to move in there. To have her peace now. Why? Why are you doing this now?
Mama, wait. As in, Ujunwa wants to move to the palace.
She has not decided, but the way I'm seeing things, she might make up her mind to move. Oh, I already caused for you. Every day, constant quarrel. What is it now? Ha! Should we go to the palace?
Greetings, my king. Your guards refused me entrance through the gate. When has he gotten to this?
Ezemo, what are you doing here?
My king, I came to see you. I came to see you, my king. For how long will you continue to be shutting me out, your king? I came to see you.
I heard that part of your shrine was destroyed.
Yes, my king. I was angry and frustrated.
Ezemo, you know you brought this to yourself. I told you that girl was genuinely gifted by the gods. But you didn't listen to me. Rather, you were unnecessarily jealous of her. You even lied to me on what the gods said that they did not say about my little wife. You lied to the king of this kingdom. My king, I swear, it came from the gods. Will you shut that thing you call mouth before I shut it? I decided to forgive you for obvious reasons. If not, by now you would have been stripped of this position and given to another because you failed me. You failed the kingdom. Listen and listen real good. Go and make peace with that girl. I want you to work in tandem with her. That girl is indeed from the gods. And all her due respect must be accorded to her. You may leave my presence. Leave! The God said when the God did not say anything.
There is no way I will allow her to do this to me. She cannot just move to the palace and live happily ever after with the prince while I'm left languishing in sorrow here. Never. Look at me. I'm not getting any younger and yet nothing to show for it. She will never experience joy. Never!
I am considering allowing my daughter to go and live in the palace.
To the palace?
That
means you will not see her again unless you visit the palace.
It's for her own safety, Makanduya, for her life.
Does this have to do with Ezemo Street?
No, not Ezemo Street. It has to do with her sister. Ever since she lost her suitor, she has been so angry. She's blaming the sister for everything. And with the level of anger I see in her, I'm afraid she might do something bad to the sister. So it's better she goes to the palace where she's safe. For now, all the Kwamu to her.
You can never predict their next action.
One name.
Anyway, just keep on talking to her. To go easy on her anger. Truth is that what happened to the boy was quite unfortunate.
Thank you, my sister.
Whose fault is this?
Ifugia, is she not a seer? I don't know why she's taking it personal on the sister.
It's not
you don't know what I'm going through in that house.
It's not easy. Just keep on talking to her. I believe with time she will calm down.
I will.
You see, okay?
Thank you, Nemo.
Also.
Thank you. We'll meet later.
Okay, thank you.
Good afternoon.
You're welcome. Please, we are on our way to your house to see you.
Yes.
I am not in the mood to divine anyone's future for now.
Please help us. Today is exactly 7 years of marriage and we have nothing to show for it.
I said I am not in the...
Please. 7 years is too much for someone to stay in marriage without any results. Please help them, Bikono.
comfort. You will give birth to a bouncing baby boy before the year runs out.
Hey!
Congrats.
Baby, thank you. May the gods be praised. Nice.
Hey, thank you very much. Thank you.
But you will betray your wife even before the baby comes.
This woman mother can never do anything like that.
I have spoken.
Did you hear that? Did you just hear that?
But I can never do that.
There's nothing she has ever said that has never come to pass. Nothing. Everything she has said has come to pass. So I don't believe you. I don't.
Gini Obi.
Onyi. Onyi.
Ify.
I really want to hurt my sister. God knows I really want to hurt her very bad that she would never forget in a hurry. But whenever I remember she's my sister, it weakens me and I hate that for me.
Can you hear yourself? She's my sister. She's my sister. And yet she hurts you in the way I can never hurt my blood. She's not your sister.
And I want to hurt her. Can you imagine this wicked girl wants to move to the palace so that she can be enjoying herself while I continue to grieve? I want to hurt her back. I want to do her strong pain. Something she will never forget in a hurry.
Don't worry. There are so many ways to do that.
When you please, how?
Leave that to me. Don't you trust your friend? Leave that to me.
I can't wait.
No matter how you hate, do not hate an innocent.
Amara, please just let me be. I'm not in the mood.
What is this?
Who got you upset? Didn't you see what happened there? I told you I was not in the mood to divine anybody's future, but you wouldn't listen to me. Nothing good would ever come out of it. Nothing.
What are you saying? You just brought joy into the life of a couple that has been looking for a child for years.
And ended up giving them bad news afterwards. What does that even make me? A mean person? Come on. I'm no longer proud of myself. I can't keep hurting people.
It's not your fault. Such is life. You told the man what he needs to know and he's left for him if he wants it to come to pass.
You don't understand it, Tamara. This man is going to marry another wife and I cannot even do anything about it. I can't even change it.
Ocho, I understand. See, don't let that affect your decision. Think about the joy you've brought into their life, the hope you've rekindled. Please. Please now, my friend. Okay? You can't change everything. It's okay.
Okansije, this girl has dealt with me. And if I kill her now, it will arouse suspicion from the king. Just look at my shrine. Everybody has deserted it. No single sacrificial items from the villagers for days now. Is this how life is? It's better I leave this village. I can't deal with this humiliation at all. It's better I leave.
Where's your sister? Come and sit down here. Who do you want?
Mama, what is it? Mama,
as both of you should sit down here.
And
that we
what
can
one?
eat, because we have to eat this food together. Madonna, do you say so?
Me, Mama, eat this food. Mama, I'm very hungry.
See, if you consider me your mother, If you see and believe that I'm your mother, now sit down here and do exactly what I said.
Mama, please. First of all, I don't eat with vultures and evil plotters. Dish I own for her separately. She must not eat with
And that will not happen in this house. All of us will eat in this same place together. Nora, do you ever say so?
You don't force my mouth.
If I'm your mother, sit down here. Unless you want to tell me I'm not your mother.
Mama, stop blackmailing me. I am sitting down because of you. But don't blackmail me.
Sit down. Thank you. Ngwa, tuwari eba. What? If you want, Ngwa, put your hand here. If you want, put your hand here.
Mama, to be honest with you, I'm not really hungry.
Hey, put your hand. We must eat together.
Mama, this food will not even be enough for me. Look for another food and eat. They finally ate it. Mama, I don't want to eat this good.
The devil that wants to scatter this family will not see the brightness of tomorrow. I must scatter it. The unity in this family must be.
Abby, please. I swear I will never cheat on you. How will I leave you and go and marry to another woman? Huh? Or possible? I can never do that.
How can I believe you when nothing that girl has ever said didn't come to pass? Everything she has ever said came to pass.
I swear, this one can never come to pass. I can never cheat you. Never.
I don't believe you. I don't believe you at all.
Please, I can never betray you, my love. Believe on me. How will I leave a woman that will give me a male child and go and start searching for that woman? Or the possible Nameme?
See, Okoli, Biko, just wrap a mark. Please, leave me alone. I don't believe all these things you're saying. Happen.
Abby.
No matter how you hate, do not hate an innocent. No matter how you feel, do not hurt an innocent. Makana.
Sis?
She won't bring in no one soul. She won't bring in more fire.
Sis, you're here? I hope all is well. I would like to have a talk with you. No, a talk with you. Me. They've sent you again. No, can I take it this time around? No, talk with who? Can't you stay on your own? Is it too difficult for you to do? So you will come and tell me another demonic vision of Why are you sounding like
No,
this?
spoiler alert! I thought you were done with this so much animosity.
You know he's done with animosity. We are not done with anything because I don't know who you are anymore. Just mind your business while I mind my business. Meaning that you should be staying on your own. As far as I am concerned in this world, you, Junwa, is my number one enemy. Know you today.
I see evil in your eyes. But trust me, whatever plan you have for me will backfire.
You're not gonna know what you are talking about. I'm gonna go and fight what is fighting you and leave me alone. You and who is talking about evil. Like I said, be minding your business while I mind my business. Be in peace. Don't be coming to me. Mind your business. Only you know what you are saying. Only you know who is pursuing you and the evil you are seeing. Idiot.
No matter how you hate, do not hate an innocent. No matter how you feel, do not hurt an innocent. Makana.
Grace.
Golly!
It hasn't been long ago. What are you doing here?
I came for a burial with my uncle. I decided to get things for my kids.
You're married, right?
Not really. It's a long story. I can't believe this is you after 7 years.
It's me, sound and healthy.
Wow.
Is that good?
There is something you should know.
Like, anyway, the weather is not favorable. Let's go to the bar and sort it out.
Right.
Hey, be careful.
We made a request the last time you visited. And up to this moment, we've not had anything from you.
Your Majesty, I had a lot that I needed to sort out. But I'm fine now.
So, what do you say about coming to live with us here in the palace?
I have accepted.
Oh my God, that's good news, Father. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I and the palace appreciate this.
Thank
My
you.
daughter, that is just a wise decision that we just taken. I promise. I will make this royal palace very, very comfortable for you, as far as I'm alive.
Thank you, Your Majesty. And I promise to be of good behavior and always do my best when it comes to visions for the palace.
I trust you.
Some say she's evil, others say she's a gift. But what do you think?
What is it now? Why are you blocking me? Leave my way now. What is it?
And if I don't leave your way, what would you do? Call your gods to strike me.
What do you want?
I saw the way you humiliated my father. You made people not to believe him. My father used to be the mediator of the gods to the people. But you stopped that.
Well, I did nothing to your father.
You shut up!
I only told the people the truth.
What truth? What truth? Eh? Listen, I would have used this cutlass to cut your head off. But I promised my dad I wasn't going to hurt you. But I have an advice for you. Leave this village before weekend. You have 3 days. 3 good days to do it.
If I were you, I would just keep quiet and listen to the vision that I have for you.
I am talking about you living, and you're talking about vision. Are you mad? Are you mad? Leave now. Leave. Leave.
No matter how you hate, do not hate an innocent. No matter how you feel.
Hey, I'm surprised to see you.
Even me. After you left Ikotengune for a church program, which was the last time I saw you.
Yes.
I took in.
You took in? I don't understand.
I discovered that I was pregnant.
What?
I told my uncle about it, and we hope we are going to return from the program. But you never did. I tried several times to terminate that pregnancy, but my uncle refused. He insisted I keep the pregnancy. I later delivered of a set of male twins.
But what are you saying?
They are 7 years of age each.
Huh?
Yes, and they are currently living with me and my uncle, waiting for the day I will lay my eyes on their father.
Hey! Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. For 7 years now, me and my wife, we are searching for a male child.
You are the father of my twin boys.
Where would I see your uncle? Let me go and greet him.
So you're happy about it?
Very well. Very well. Very well.
Mama, I have made up my mind to go to the palace. I'll be moving my things first thing tomorrow morning.
What? You're joking, right?
Mama, I'm not joking.
But I thought you said you have not made up your mind. And now I've called for a meeting to make peace between you and your sister. I thought by doing this, you stay at home.
Mama, I've already made up my mind. Please. There is this evil that is looming around and I'm trying to prevent it. So I'd rather leave this place to the palace.
Hi. Are you not going to say anything about it?
Oh, see me, Why are you calling me now? No, you are calling me to do what or to say what? She has already made up her mind to leave for the palace. So what is my business? And not like I even want her to stay safe. So let her be going. And I'll go.
Is that all you have to say?
Mama, you are looking for my mouth this afternoon, Makwaya? No, you are looking for my mouth now.
No, but don't you say anything?
You did not see me. Tell them that you did not see me.
Why not stay here with us?
Mama, please.
No matter how you hate, do not hate an innocent. No matter how you feel.
This scarf is the only thing I was able to get out from her bag before she left for the palace.
Oh, she has gone to live in the palace already.
Not too long ago. But wait, are you sure the medicine man will be able to work with this scarf?
Yes, I believe. Let's just go and see him with the scarf to know if he's going to knock her down. Let's go.
Are you sure this is a good idea? I feel a type of way about this. Seriously. And as much as I really want to get my pound of flesh, she's still my sister, the same blood.
You're not doing anything bad, Ife. You're just doing this to someone who has hurt you that way. Let's go and see him. There's no time.
Anamaka, ajojo kamnaju. She is gifted.
Thank you for accepting to come stay with us here in the palace. I believe you will like it here.
I'm already enjoying myself. What can I say? It's quite spacious, very big.
Yeah. I'll show you all you need to know. My grandfather, great-grandfather had this common room where he takes and receives all his special guests. I'll take you to the room.
Really? I can't wait. Nice. I can't wait to see this place you're talking about. I also wanted to ask you, is it possible for me to see anyone's future and tell them? I mean, in the palace, even if it's a guard?
Yes, my dear. Consider this place your new office where you can receive people and people can come and visit you. As for your parents, the palace will take care of them.
I have a message for that man.
Is there more?
Yes.
Why not? Let's go in so you can tell him.
But you know he doesn't like me.
It doesn't matter. Just go in there and deliver the message to him. Whatever he does with the message shouldn't be your business. Come on.
My king, I beg to leave. Her presence irritates me.
What has she done to you? Why is her presence irritating you, peasant?
It is better you listen to what I have to tell you. It's quite important.
Speak to me no more.
What is it, Ezemo? Why won't you allow this young lady, this innocent, gifted young woman to tell you the truth? What you must hear? What is your problem? Go ahead, my dear. Let me hear you out.
Thank you, Your Highness. Please tell your son to stop hunting at the forest for now. There is this evil that is lurking around. Let him look for something else and do. I am telling you this because I know you love your son.
Zip it! Why are you blaspheming me? It is you that is going to be consumed by the spirit of death. Yes. My king, I beg to leave. I can't stand it anymore, receiving insult from this nitwit.
Relax, young woman. You have done noble, my daughter. You do not tell a sane man to get the hands off the fire. It is not done. I am proud of you. I commend your boldness.
Thank you, my king.
I am not happy at all. I am not happy. But I've told you the best thing to do right now is to kill that girl and do away with anything that has to do with her in this village.
You know what baffles me? The king hushed me while she was talking. He made me look like nothing in his presence.
Papa didn't allow me to kill her myself. Let me strangle her by myself.
My son, if I said now kill her, it is too late. You know why? She lives in the palace. She has security.
Hey, Papa, use your charm and strike her dead. I just want her dead. So are we just going to fold our hands and lose everything that you've worked so hard for so many years? Papa, can you imagine her telling me not to go to the forest? That blah, 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 what because of... Who is she to give me such a command? Who is she?
My son, I think I'm good.
Papa, you better do something, no? You better do something. I don't want you to lose everything you've worked hard for.
Grace, believe me, I don't know she was pregnant for me. She did not even tell me anything all these years. I did not even believe I would meet her again in life.
I told you everything that girl says come to pass. Did I not tell you or you've forgotten? I told you.
I know you told me, but believe me, I didn't believe I would see this girl again in this life. I know I slept with her before I got you married. Believe me, I can never cheat on you.
I don't even understand all these things you're saying. I don't understand one single thing you're saying. But all I know is that this marriage is over. It is over.
Forgive me, please. Don't do this to me, please.
You're apologizing to me. So what happens to the lady?
The lady took me to her uncle, and the uncle said that I should come and claim the children if I get her daughter married.
That's exactly what I said. Rightly as the Seer girl said it. She said it, and it has come to pass. Have you forgotten? I can't continue with this marriage anymore. I am sorry.
Please, Grace. Please, Grace.
I'm sorry.
Please, Grace. Please don't do this to me.
She is gifted. Whatever she sees happens. Gifted mind, her words ignite, her words saves. Jealousy cannot stop it, envy cannot stop it. Eluke funanya,
Greetings, Sezemo.
Why you getting better?
I am fine. I wish all is well. This one is here.
All is well.
No.
I am here to appeal to you.
Okay.
But first of all, I want you to have this envelope.
What do I do with that?
Take it and look inside it.
What do I do with all this money inside there?
Why? 2 million naira is inside this. Take it.
What do I do with it? Not him not again now.
I want you to pull your daughter out of the palace. Both of you leave this village now.
Ezemo, you want me to leave the village with my daughter? This village? Is that what you're saying?
Do you want me to add more money here? Leave this village.
Why? What did she do?
Your daughter made the king to shut me out. The whole villagers, they have shut me out. I am no more relevant in this village. She is doing my job, and I do not like it. Leave this village now, or...
Ogene. Ekuzile here. Ezemo, if not for one thing, I'm going to make it here back. What is wrong with you? You cannot touch my daughter. Let me tell you in plain language. You dare not come close to my daughter or do anything against my daughter. She's doing the works of the gods. Where did she go wrong? They reveal to her. She says, she tell people the way is revealed to her. If the king has shot you, I simply mean that you're no longer relevant. So if you cannot walk alongside with my daughter, you take a step out.
Quiet!
You back out.
Have you lost your senses? This conversation is over.
Oshebapo, you can't do anything. You can't do nothing. You're not God. You wear them more. If not for one thing, what's your problem? You can't touch my daughter. If you're tired, you take a walk. You're no longer relevant. You come and threaten me. If not, oh.
You are really trying by the amount of people you get to attend to on a daily basis. Do you find joy in exhausting?
Not at all, my prince. As a matter of fact, I think the palace is quite the best place for what I do.
I'm glad you said that. Or then we need to make out a timetable for you and the villagers to see so you can have enough time to rest.
Wow. Thank you for that suggestion. It really shows that you care.
Of course I care, Ujunwa, and I will always do, right from the very first day we met. You know, you have become an important part of my life now, which gladdens my soul that you are here with me now.
Huh?
I love you, Ujunwa.
Papa, where are you going to?
But you can see I'm fully equipped. I'm going for hunting.
In that forest? Didn't you hear what that girl said? The Seer.
Papa, don't tell me you're beginning to believe what that little said.
Why did I say this? What is going on? Ejike, don't worry. Go to the forest. Go for your hunt and come back with a big catch. Yes.
Father, I shouldn't go because of that little. Papa, I'm going to hunt. And when I return, Papa, I'll do according to what I promised. I'll butcher that girl. I'll make sure I'll kill her.
That's right. That girl will die this time.
Yes, Papa.
I have given her mother a chance to halt her. But no, she believed in the forces behind the girl. This time around, I will tell the Nomuabu Omimindo one of this kingdom. Omimindo one of this kingdom.
Yes, Papa.
Onye mempoto anya fachi yike.
No time.
Yes. Nangoke.
Daddy.
Welegu.
All right, sir. Papa.
Ejike.
Papa.
Odo nwa.
Papa.
Anai mole.
Like I'm serious. I think we have handled the problem.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Come on.
Come here. You're looking so beautiful.
Thank you.
Are you okay? Why are you shouting? Are you okay? Look at me, look at me. What is it?
Huh?
What is it?
I can't see.
You can't see?
I can't.
Look at me. You mean you can't see me?
Oh.
Hold on. You mean you can't see me?
I can't see. I can't see. I can't see anything.
I can't see!
I can't see. I can't see.
Guards! Come
on! Oh! I can't see.
Yeah?
I can't see.
You can't see?
I can't see.
Oh, Shimo, what kind of... Hey! Oh, who did this to my daughter? Oh. Hey! They brought news from the palace that your sister has gone blind. Has gone blind.
Blind? How? When did this happen?
They just told me, and I know that it's Ezemo that did this. I know Ezemo is behind this.
Mama, you can't be too sure. No, you can't be too sure like that.
Hi,
you cannot be too sure considering how her mouth runs. Maybe she must have gone to say one or two to somebody that provoked. You can't be too sure.
Ezemo was here yesterday to warn me against your sister. He warned me to talk to her. I can beat my full chest and tell you that Ezemo is behind this. And I must go to the king and tell him about it.
Mama, if you ask me, I will say going to the king to accuse Ezemo wrongly will bring serious enmity between you and Ezemo, between our household and him. Please, you don't have to do that. Firstly, you have to be calm.
No. Don't tell me that. Don't tell me that.
How are you even sure that she's blind?
Who else would have done that if it's not Ezemo?
Who confirmed that she's
blind?
But
they told me now. They sent the message from the palace now that she's blind. Yes.
How?
And I know that it's Ezemo. I know. I will tell the king, and the king will ask Ezemo to swear. If he doesn't swear, I will go around the village and announce it that Ezemo is a bad man. Ezemo is
Mama, calm down now. How can you accuse somebody like Ezemo to go and swear? That's a big one, oh. Mama, stop crying first. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. You want me to join you and start crying too? Mama, stop now. You make me to start crying with you now. Oh, stop. Let's go inside.
No matter how you hate, do not hate an innocent. No matter.
My king, I told you. I told you you wouldn't listen to me. She is fraud and fake. She is suffering from the first repercussion of her evil deeds.
Ezemo, what are you saying?
What I'm saying, my king, is that the gods that she serves, they are wicked. She connived with them to destroy our villagers. She connived with them to bring turmoil to the royal family. She connived with them to disorient this kingdom. My king, all the people she said that will die, she destroyed them spiritually. She is evil.
Ezemo, stop this, please. I don't like it. This is a strong accusation and I will not take it.
I'm innocent.
Have you asked why she went blind? More repercussions are coming to her.
Ezemo, are you telling me that you do not have a hand in what is happening to her?
My king, my hands are clean. The gods of our ancestors can bear me witness. Yes. My king, you might know so many things about me. Most certainly not that I am an evil man. For sure, I was jealous about her, the way she garnered our people towards her. But I want everybody to stay away from her because her methods are evil, weird. Yes, my hands are clean.
I am innocent. I am innocent, please. I have never thought any evil for any human. I don't know why someone that I trust would want to do this to me.
Do you know the person that did this to you? Do not hesitate to tell me because I'll have the person's head beheaded instantly. Talk to me, my daughter.
My king, she lies a lot. If you take her words, you will kill too many people in this kingdom. Yes, take for instance. She said, my son will die if my son will not give up his hunting method or his hunting tax. But today my son is in the bush hunting. It was revealed to me by the gods of our ancestors that he is coming back with a big cash. Yes, she's evil.
I am innocent.
This is my king.
What is it?
I just got the news that the Ezemo son is dead.
What?
The Ezemo son is dead.
Are you out of your senses?
A report came to me that his son's corpse was found in the Okene forest, badly mutilated by a wild animal.
Oh, my king. Oh.
Don't touch him.
The evil that men do live with them.
Exactly, Father.
Thank God, though. I was coming to you, my darling. I was coming to you. Hi. Hey. My sister, there is trouble. There is serious trouble.
What are you talking about? I am sure you've heard about your sister's blindness. So she's going to be sent out of the palace disgracefully.
My sister, the main problem is my mother. That woman will not allow me to rest. She's threatening to go to the palace to go and report Ezemo to the king so that he will be made to swear his innocence about my sister's blindness.
But it's not the Ezemo that did it now.
Yes! That is where the problem is. By forcing him to swear his innocence, the man will be forced to want to find out the people behind it. That is where you and I come in.
Hey.
Jesus.
Hey, Jesus.
Hey. Chimo.
What are we going to do about this?
Well, I am going to that medicine man's place. I want him to undo whatever he has done to my sister. Please, let her just carry. I know she hurt me. I chose him. I don't want again. No, let her go in peace.
Ife, no, we can't undo anything. No, we can't.
Wait. Onyi, are you by any means understanding what I'm saying?
Yes, now.
I said there is trouble. You're not saying what getting.
Let's not do anything. Let's just leave it that way.
Or they can measure back to that SMO's place. I'm moving there. Yes, I'm going to that man's place now.
Oh, yeah, are you going? Hey, Jesus.
Are you coming with me?
Oh, hi.
Eh? We should go together now.
Oh, yeah,
Mama,
you can't see me at all.
Mama, is that you?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. You can't see at all. How, Chimo? Who did this to you? Who did this to you? My Lord, I know that this is the work of the enemy. Ezemo is the one that did this to my daughter. Yes, Your Highness.
Are you sure of what you're talking about?
Your Highness, Ezemo came to me and offered me money. He offered me money to carry my daughter and go away from this village, else I'll face the consequences. He came to my house.
Are you sure of what you're talking about?
Yes, Your Highness.
Ezemo did this?
Yes, Your Highness.
Ezemo will leave me with no other option but to strip him of all his rights in this kingdom. I will banish him. He is no more qualified to be the chief priest of this my noble kingdom.
Your Highness, please, before you banish him, ask him to come and swear. Let him swear that he doesn't have a hand in what happened to my daughter. I don't know what my daughter did to Ezemo that he hates her this much. But you can let me know what he did. Please.
Father, I think you should invite Ezemo and have him swear to an oath of innocence.
Thank you, my prince Chimgoziego. Thank you.
Ezemo must be heartbroken by now after the loss of his only son. Yes.
What is it now?
I did it.
What? Okay.
Mama, I can see.
You can see me. You can see me.
I can see. Your Highness.
You can see me. You can see her.
Forgive me. Forgive me. Oh, Mama, tell her to forgive me, please.
You did what?
I am the one that made her blind.
Hey!
Out of anger because of the death of Obiora. I just wanted her to feel small pain. I didn't know that to get to this level.
If you were making if you did what? If you were, you did what? You did what? You did what? You did what? You did what?
But why would you do that? I have never thought about any evil against you. I've never wished you any evil. Why would you want to do that to me, your sister? Mama, I'm dying. I'm in pain. Hey, Mama, help me.
It's okay. It's okay. If you want.
I forgive you.
If you want help, how did you do this?
Mama, please forgive me.
It's okay.
I forgive you.
Father,
thank you.
I want to thank you for everything. I want to seize this opportunity to let you know of my intention towards Ujunwa here.
Huh?
I find it pleasing to present to you my newly found bride.
Yeah?
My prince.
I know this came so sudden and unexpected, but there's no other better way for me to express myself. And there's no other time better than this moment. Ujunwa, please, be my wife.
My prince.
Yes.
Yes.
You will marry me.
Yes, I will marry you.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Thank you so much.
Oh,
Mama.
it's okay. Come here.
Thank you.
It's okay. It's okay. Thank you.
It's a happy family.
Oh, thank you, my prince.
Your Highness.
Father,
come, my daddy.
Hi.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Thank you, Your Highness.
I bless this marriage.
No matter how you hate, do not hate an innocent. No matter how you feel, do not hurt an innocent. Makana. No matter the fury, no matter the rage, do not hate an innocent. To hate the innocent is to imprison the sage. Oh, do not hurt an innocent. No matter the fury, no matter the rage, do not hate an innocent. To hate the innocent is to imprison the sage. Ah, do not hate an innocent. Oh, Makana. She will win up one soul.